Good future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. Shout out to the high rollers, man. Shout out to the entire DD Nation, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. I got shibArmy in the building, voteArmy in the building, DD Nation in the building, you know, high rollers as well. So we're going to get into this one. Y'all already know we're going to be talking about Vegas Inu token, man. Get the word out. Let everybody know we are live. It took a little minute. We about a little bit late, you know, but better late than never, y'all. So we here. We're going to give everybody a few minutes to pull into the building before we get into this one, y'all. So we got some exciting things to talk about with VIT. I want to just say shout out to everybody who's been holding it down on the front line, supporting, you know, still being confident in the community, the token itself, and just, you know, continuously pushing the word out about VIT, y'all. So matter of fact, let me give it a couple more minutes to get people in here. So we're going to talk about Shiba Inu in this stream as well. So I know all y'all that probably want to pull up and hear about SHIB. Don't worry, we'll be talking about that also. We got the ERC 404 collection update with the Shibo, she female side of things we'll be talking about. Also, just doing an update on daily Shiba Inu, see what's going on. But yeah, y'all jump in the stream, drop a comment, let me know you are in the building. Also, share the stream, hit the like button, and just, you know, let all your people know that we are live, man. Shout out to PD, man, a real one rocking with the channel, man, since I can't even remember how long. PD says, salute, broski, I'm here. Check Telegram desk. Okay, we about to check it right now, bro. Okay, bro. Yeah, I'm checking it out right now. Okay, so yes, we will be doing something. We're gonna talk about it after this stream, bro. We're gonna talk about doing something with Mars Swap as well as K9 Finance. So that's something that we have in the works. We do have a meeting. Okay, we're gonna have to just turn the battery, or not the battery, but the camera off for this one. I'm gonna just have to share screen with y'all real quick. I got my other batteries charging, so don't worry, we'll be back on the camera in a second. But yeah, we will be trying to do this interview. Well, not even trying to, because I already got the message from him. We gonna lock in a date for that, so you can be expecting the Vegas Inu token collab video with K9 Finance. And I believe, I'm not sure if Buzz is the CEO. Hey, PD, is Buzz the CEO of K9 Finance, or is he just one of the team members? But that's going to be super dope to have something going on with Vegas Inu token and an official shibarium partner. Now, I don't know if we'll be able to work some type of deal out. If there's, you know, if we can create a win-win situation, then more than likely we'll do that. But it's just going to be nice to be able to talk about it and see, you know, what we can come up with. PD, what you think we can do with K9? Do you think you see any potential utilities, potential, you know, ways we can create a win-win situation? Because we want to go into that interview or that meeting, you know, with a few things on the table. So PD said, yes, the founder. Okay, cool. So we locked in with the founder of K9 Finance. Shout out to PD for that, man. High Rollers, shout out to High Rollers holding it down, says, good evening, man. Appreciate everybody for pulling in the stream. Hey, I need y'all to ring the bells. Let everybody know we are live, y'all. So we got an overall market update. Let's just start off here before we talk about SHIB and then some Vegas Inu token. So right now we got an overall crypto market cap of $1.98 trillion, looking really, really nice. I can't wait until, you know, we break above that $2 trillion market cap level. We have that breakout, and then we start to trade and find support above that $2 trillion level. Because then, you know, we are very, very close to crypto being at its all-time high. Remember, Bitcoin only hit 68,000 all-time high, y'all. We're not too far away from that. We can easily see Bitcoin start to ramp up as, you know, we get closer and closer to that Bitcoin halving. We are only 58 days away, y'all. I'm expecting to see some type of rally right before that happens, or, you know, I'm expecting to see another major rally before that happens. I think we may see Bitcoin get close to its all-time high before the Bitcoin halving. That's what I'm predicting. It's not financial advice. You got to understand everything in this video. You got to do your own due diligence on, but that's what I'm expecting. You know, you should definitely be grabbing some more Bitcoin if you already haven't. I hope y'all been accumulating Bitcoin at a lot lower levels, but you know, one day Bitcoin will be at 250,000. One day it will be at $1 million. So you want to make sure you got some Bitcoin in your portfolio. So shout out to Jay Butler pulling up, says hit the like button when you come in. Make sure y'all do me that favor. Also share the stream to let everybody know we are live. Need you to share that out there, Jay Butler. Share it to your Twitter, share it to, you know, whatever platform you are on. Kieran in the building, man. Shout out to Kieran Bush, says hello to all the high rollers. Salute, man. We got some real ones pulling up. I need y'all all to share the stream out and let everybody know we are live. So that way people can be up to date with what's going on with Vegas Inu token, you know, Shiba Inu in the crypto market as a whole. So shout out to Essence pulling up. I see the OG starting to pull up in the building. Make sure y'all share this, y'all. Let everybody know we are live. Post this on your platforms, you know, Twitter, X, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you can let people know, let them know that we are live here. So right now, Bitcoin at 51,579. Let's take a look at those next levels that we have to break through until we are at our all-time high. So we don't have too many levels here. So we just took out this level here, 53K. So now all we have is this area here. And we can just, you know, mark those resistance points on the way down. So we see resistance here, major resistance there. We can mark it. We see a little resistance at around 60. I'm gonna be tight with this. It's gonna be a few points, but I want to show y'all each area. Got some resistance right there. We have some right there as well. Also got some resistance right there. So it looks like these are our next areas to target. So we also got a little resistance right here at 50. We could say 58. 58. Let's throw that one right there too. I want to be real tight with this just so y'all can see all those different levels. Okay, so these are the levels we have to break through until we are at all-time high Bitcoin prices, y'all. Take a look at this. So we got one area right here of resistance at 58,472. I think we can easily shoot right past this. If you take a look, we went from 42,000-ish in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days approximately to 52,000. So a little over a week, we moved $10,000 in Bitcoin pricing. So that was about 9 days. I can see something like that taking place, you know, getting us to that 58K level because we are super, super bullish right now. So, you know, because of that momentum, because of the Bitcoin ETFs, because of more acceptance or regulation around crypto and it becoming more widely known, we can expect to see more and more money pump into the markets, especially as people get more excited as Bitcoin halving is nearing, and also as the overall crypto market cap pushes up. More and more people are going to jump off the sidelines. Remember, there's still a lot of people who are involved in crypto that were around in the last cycle that just did not jump back in yet. They're still waiting for, you know, certain confirmations. To me, the confirmations are already in. I told y'all once we first hit that 1.5, I told y'all we were green. 1.75, I told you there was going to be a little frenzy starting, you know, a little euphoria kicking in the markets, and that's exactly what we've seen take place. Now that we're right above that, or right below that 2 trillion market cap level, we are going to see people get more and more antsy. At $2 trillion market cap, once we hold above that level, we are going to see people start to jump in, you know, a lot heavier. We're going to see people start to FOMO, that fear of missing out, the fear of, you know, not being able to make the gains that they want to make over this next bull run now that their confirmation is in. So that's the first stop, 58,000. I can see that happening within the next 2 weeks or so. Because remember, we still got 58 days until Bitcoin halving. So we can play around through all these ranges throughout that time. We break this 58K, we might come up and test that 59,000. What is it? 59, just around 59,500 range. And we might retest the 58,000 range, 58,500 range. So notice these two resistance areas here are really tight. So we can, you know, once we cross this one, we could, you know, possibly blow through this one here and start to find support right around 59K. That's a possibility before we start fighting and targeting that that 61,000 level. And once Bitcoin breaks 60,000, I believe people are going to go absolutely crazy, y'all. I think we're going to see pandemonia. We might just off Bitcoin breaking 60,000, we might just start to see people rush in with funds that push us past that all-time high at that point. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm just saying that can happen. Once people see that we are that close, they're going to want to, from a psychological level, they're going to see it as, let me hurry up and put some more money in before it gets to all-time high prices. Shout out to Mike Jones in the building, man. Salute, another one pulling up on us with the big salute for the high rollers, man. Shout out to bro holding it down on the front lines. Then we got Love Vibe in the building, man. Salute, Erica says, let's go high rollers. Nunya in the building, another real one rocking with us, says, staying down for the come up. Sup, Vid fam. Man, salute. I see y'all done put the alert out. I need everybody in the stream to make sure you have hit the like button. And please, please, please share the video somewhere. We need to get the word out. We are going back, marching forward with it, to get the word out, let everybody know. We got something exciting, that we just did with Vic, but I'm gonna wait until we get a few more people in the building, so that way people aren't saying, bro, what's going on, because they, came in a little late. So Ryan in the building says, is there any plans for a play to burn game for Vegas Inu, like Brickbuster did for Shiba? That's a dope idea, bro. We're gonna talk more about our game idea a little bit later in the stream. We just want more people to come in, so that way we don't have to repeat everything, 3-4 times. Shout out to Tillery, another real one, man. Salute. Appreciate you pulling up, bro. Says, hey, high rollers, Vegas Inu token, man. Y'all better take a look at this. If you're on the sidelines watching Vegas Inu token and you haven't seen, what the community is about, take a look at the people you see pulling up. These are real people. These are people you might have seen in some of your other crypto communities. These are people that are learning their way around the block. These are people that are serious about investing. So when you see these people, stepping up to the plate, you want to connect the dots and follow people. Not only do you want to follow influencers, but you want to follow community investors. You want to follow people who are, parts of these communities, people who actually represent these communities, because these are the people that see a lot of success. That's why they get so wrapped up into the communities. So you want to follow the people that you see doing it right, man. Shout out to Haven Pack, man. Salute. Appreciate you pulling up. Said my sheaves, guys, sheaves. That's one thing we like to recommend over here on the channel. Not financial advice wise, but we like to say you should have multiple bags, man. Multiple bags. At the minimum, you should have a short-term, mid-term, and long-term bag of your favorite cryptocurrencies. That way you could take advantage of different price levels. Shout out to Ryan, says, is Vegas Inu going to get on shibArmy? So that's something we will be talking about as well in this live stream. So make sure you stay tuned to the entire stream. Now, let's see. PD said, let's remember the community has great things happening too. So come into Telegram and see what the community has going. That's a very, very important point right there, because this is Vegas Inu token. This was created as a community driven project. So there's no just one end all be all, what is it? Like control over the project. The community has the authority and the right to jump in and build for the project as well. So, you may be seeing all types of different things coming from Vegas Inu token on the community side. We got one thing that's coming from the community right now that I think is really, really cool. That it's actually, it's more than cool. It's super dope. But that's coming from the community. That is almost done. Y'all will be hearing more about that. Yeah, a lot of exciting things, man. Join the Telegram. All links to Vegas Inu token project is in the description section of this video. Shout out to BCR, man. Another real one, man. High rollers pulling up. Salute. Big salute to BCR, man. Another one holding it down on the front lines. So let's take a look at this, man. So I think we break through just off the hype and us getting a little closer over the next 2 weeks to the Bitcoin halving. I think we take out this 58 resistance point, 58K. I think we see 58K hit within the next 2 weeks, y'all. I'm calling it. I know that's a big call to put out there, and it's not financial advice. I don't want nobody going out there jumping out the window off this call, but I see it really wanting to continue this momentum. And also we got to think of that psychological level. All the people who didn't load their bags, all the people who missed out, they're going to want to wait to the end. They're going to wait till they see, it continuously going and going and going. That's when they're going to want to jump in. So, even if you're someone who didn't get your bags the way you wanted to, you still have time. Bitcoin will eventually be $250,000. That is what I think it will go to at a minimum this bull run. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 680,000 Bitcoin, even potentially $1 million Bitcoin by the end of this next bull run. That's how big I think this next run will be. We got confirmation, y'all. We got institutional money now in Bitcoin. We got old money now in Bitcoin, y'all. And more will be coming as they start to understand it more and, you know, see the potential of it, see the gains coming from, you know, other institutional money like MicroStrategy, you know, Kathy Wood with ARK Investments. Once more of these traditional institutional investors start to see their counterparts or their, you know, competitors or peers in their lanes, you know, valuing Bitcoin, trust me, they're going to jump in too. People don't like missing out on money. Now, let's see. Haven says, did you guys hear a crypto wallet swiper was able to register as a legit company in the UK? Be careful what we click on. No, I didn't hear about that, but definitely be careful for those fake links. Ryan says, do you have a guess on Vegas Inu and Shiba or Shiba Doge? What do you mean by have a guess on it, bro? Let me know. So my prediction, y'all, 58K Bitcoin within the next 2 weeks. And then, you know, if we break above this level, and we have to break above it and hold it and come back and retest. We got to pull back till we not only have to break above it, but we have to go high enough above it to where we can create a pullback that is decent enough to gain support at that level. And then we gain support at one of these levels. Next stop, around 61. We do got some resistance at that 59,628 level. So we can round that to 60K. So we got 58,000 level and 60,000 level if we give or take a little bit. But those are my expectations over the next 2 weeks. We're going to see that $2 trillion market cap come. People are going to go crazy. People are going to get excited. And then that might run us all the way up through these levels here. And think about it too. That's one way it can go. It can go that way if you know, if it's all positive. On the negative side, you know, things can work their way back down. Let's say something crazy happens in the market that is unexpected, because the markets love to do things that people don't expect. They always try to hit us with the okie doke. Anytime we think that is gonna guarantee go this way, somehow, some way, you know, the game gets switched up. So keep that in mind also. So let's say we don't break above those levels. Let's think about some realistic areas we can pull back to. So we see real resistance at the 48 level. We could say 49 as well. If we pull it up right there, 49, 48 level, we see some resistance. I mean, not resistance, but support. It can pull back to, because remember, previous resistance becomes new support levels. So where else can we go? We can see right around here also, give or take. Also, what I like to do when I'm looking at these support and resistance levels, I like to look at the area furthest to the right and then try to line it up with other resistance or support levels going left in the chart, just to try to make sure we're a little accurate with that. And then we can see more at 44,000. So let's say we lose momentum here. We come back down and retest 49,000. You know, and then we don't hold that, we could potentially pull all the way back to 45,000. So keep that in mind as well. That could play out over the next 2 weeks if things are bearish. Do I think that will happen? No, but that's a possibility as well, because the price is attracted to these support and resistance levels. Keep that in mind too. These areas, you know, not all the way, but they're like magnets almost. The price wants to pull to one of these levels. It either wants to pull up to this level or push down to this level, where we see, you know, these support areas, 49,000, give or take 48, and then 45K. So keep that in mind. But let's see what we got going on. Ethereum looking good. That's another good sign right there. The fact that Ethereum keeps flirting with that 30,000 or 3,000 level. We seen, you know, last bull market, Ethereum went up to, what was it, like 4,800? Let's check. Yep, so Ethereum went up to $4,870. That was last bull market. And you seen this was in alignment with basically the run we seen with cryptos or meme coins going to the moon. So this is November 11th, it looks like, all-time high price, November 11th or the 10th. And then let's see. So you notice right here in October, where we seen all-time high prices in the crypto market cap, Bitcoin all-time high, overall crypto market cap. Look right here, Ethereum continued to run just a little bit continuously past that point up until almost like, let's just say mid-November, before it started to really taper off. So with us seeing Ethereum start to run again, it's letting us know that we're entering that meme coin season again. We're entering, that bull run season again. I'm excited for it. Let me know in the comments or in the chat, are y'all excited for the bull run? So I think Pedro is asking, he said, where is your support? I think you meant on Bitcoin. So we just talked about if Bitcoin decides to pull back, I think around that 48, 45 level. Ryan says your prediction on any of those high, each one will get during the bull run. Your prediction on any of those, how high each one will get. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. You're talking about Vegas Inu, Shiba, and Shiba Doge. So it's really hard to call it, man, because there's so many different possibilities that could play out, and you just don't know, just being honest. Now with Shiba Inu, it might be a little easier to try to give some price targets because it's been around, we've seen the way it has moved. But as far as Shiba Doge, I haven't tracked it that much, and then Vegas Inu is still a fairly new project, so we haven't had our big time to shine where we see what our breakouts really look like. But we're continuously building, and I'm excited for what it will look like. PD says December's a teacher. Pedro, enjoy the show, sir. Salute. Pedro said, thoughts on ICP? Man, ICP is one of those ones that, I got that I don't even look at. I'm just waiting. If y'all haven't heard of ICP, that is Internet Computer, I think, protocol. But take a look at the all-time high on this one, y'all. This was crazy. Take a look at the all-time high. And I think it was even higher than this, to be honest. So right here on the chart, it says 2,800 per coin or token. But I think I remember seeing this much higher at one point, almost up there with like Bitcoin prices. Not right now, but at the time when I first started to pay attention to it. So seeing it down here at these levels is an absolute steal for me. Continuously, you still got to do your due diligence on the project. I haven't been adding to my bag on this one, but I do think buying at any of these low levels is cool for this one, because if it does turn around and gets anywhere close to those previous prices, especially during this next bull run, and we can see a lot of the volume picking up on it as well. Take a look right here. Look at that volume spiking. It's showing that something is taking place beneath the surface. So, you might want to connect the dots on that one, but I think ICP is a cool one. This is one, I haven't honestly, just studied the project extremely hard or nothing like that, but just the price, it was, I remember when it first dropped, or when it first started to create a lot of buzz, like back in 2021, what was that, 2020, 2021? But around that time, I seen it priced really high, and seeing it down at these levels, it was like, whoa, especially seeing it still holding in the top 20 cryptocurrencies. Love Vibes says, very excited for this run up. Man, I hope y'all are buckled up. This bull run will be bigger than the last one, I believe. And look at all the money that we made during the last one, man. Shout out to Ryan, says, thanks, man. You're welcome. Nanya says, this group has been waiting a long time to see charts like this. I'm glad to share this bull run with you all. Facts. A lot of the people that y'all are seeing from my community have been patiently waiting for over 2 years, y'all. So if you're somebody that just came in last 6 months, last year and a half, hey, you're lucky. You had to wait less time than those that have been waiting before you, for this time to come back. So, congratulations for, doing what it takes to be here, be present during this time. And, just buckle up, man. Be patient. Don't allow yourself to get tricked out of your spots. Remember that investing is highly, highly psychological. People can get emotional. You want to try to leave your emotions out of it as best you can. I know it's hard when you're putting up your hard-earned money on the table, but it's just best to, keep the emotions out of it. Be wise, but keep the emotions out of it. because then you start doing things like revenge trading. You start having gambler's fallacy. You know, revenge trading is when you take a loss here, take a loss there, and now you're just coming back with a vengeance, and you just want to, you know, kill it. You just want to try to knock it out the park. So now you're putting up more and more money, larger sums, and, you know, being riskier and riskier, and, you know, not using the strategy that you've, you know, set out to use, and just kind of getting sloppy. So, you know, just be wise about it. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose during this next bull run. Hopefully y'all are already, you know, really getting your bags together before then. If you're not really going crazy right now to bring in some more money so that you can be buying up crypto, I don't know what you're doing. You should be developing and I'm speaking loosely, y'all. I just like to be myself with y'all. But, you know, you should be, you know, trying to find a side hustle, something you can do to generate some extra income, so that way you can be getting it into the markets before everything starts to take off. I really wish y'all would have been doing it, but you know, it's never too late. Also, let me know, are y'all interested in content on talking about other ways to make money on the channel, like leveraging AI technology? There's a lot of ways you could be using AI tech right now to, you know, make some extra side money. And I am passionate. I don't know if y'all, you know, but I'm a marketer, you know, by nature. You know, I've went to college for marketing, so I'm very passionate when it comes to marketing and learning about the new technologies and how it can help with marketers, and, you know, just how we can use this technology to, you know, not only make more money, but just, you know, add more value to the space, DeFi, and just the world in general. So if y'all would like content on that, I would love to make content on that. Let me know if y'all would be interested in watching stuff like that. You know, maybe how to make money using, you know, AI softwares and things like that. But let's see. PD says somewhat the bear market is more fun. DCA is where the fun is because of the discount. That's facts. No, PD, you got a good point there. But a lot of people won't see it that way until they had their first, you know, time around the block. You've been around the block already, you know. But for a lot of newcomers to the space, they're still afraid to jump on those dips. If you're just hearing this for the first time and you don't know, you should be going absolutely crazy to buy up the assets that you love when you see the price low. When you see the price go down, you should be going crazy to get more. That is the cheat code, y'all. That is the cheat code. Once you can get over the psychology of being scared to buy when the price is low, you're going to start having a lot more success in the crypto market. If you continue to chase after projects that are already taken off, already super green, you're going to continue to lose money. Most likely, more than likely. Not all the time. Sometimes you will get lucky, but then you'll get lucky here and there. And then you'll end up giving all that money back to the market because you got lucky a few times and you have a belief that you know, are maybe a little better at understanding crypto investing than you might actually be because of that luck. And then because of that luck, you will go out and, you know, start making bigger trades, you know, more riskier trades, less informed trades. And now you start to give all that money back to the market. I've seen so many people make money during the last bull run and give it all back to the markets. Don't be one of those people. Actually learn what you're doing. Also, speaking of learning, y'all, I got a very, very special offer. I've been trying to get my entire community to eat in other ways outside of just crypto. If you are one of those people that, you know, are looking for ways to generate more income, I have 3 courses available. I got my stock options trading course. I've been posting my gains. What we just did, like $1,700 yesterday. It's not the most, you know. Of course, you can make more and you can also make less. But what was it? $1,700 and I think like $43 we did yesterday trading options with only a few, you know, like maybe 2 hours total worth of trading. So $1,700 for 2 hours, and that is, you know, making money in the stock market at the same time while letting our crypto investments, you know, mature and cook and do what they got to do. You know, you don't want to just sit and just only wait for, you know, sitting waiting with your fingers crossed, praying that your crypto gains start to blow up. You want to find other ways inside of DeFi, other ways inside of investing, you know, to make money also. So I got my stock options trading course, my crypto 101 course, and my technical analysis course available. Each of these courses are $2,500 courses. I got the receipts to prove it. People pay $2,500 for this course. But for my community, those that are tapping into my live streams, I want to give y'all this special offer. $200 for whichever course you want for the next 5 people to email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. You must be payment ready because somebody else will take that spot if you are not. So if you're interested in getting one of my $2,500 courses for only $200, email me right now, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Please be payment ready so that way your spot is secure. You will learn how to make money outside of just crypto investing. You will learn how to make money day trading, stocks as well, stock options. Now, you can make, a few dollars a day. You can make hundreds of dollars a day. You can make thousands of dollars a day. If you get this course, you will be able to watch me live trade, and you will see, myself making thousands of dollars doing the same thing that I'm teaching you inside of this course. Yes, the information that is inside of this course, you're going to watch me apply it and make thousands of dollars live on the spot. Not how a lot of people claim that they make this money and then they just show you afterwards. You're going to watch me make the money live as I'm making it. So tap in for that course, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Also, 100% money back guarantee for the first 72 hours if you are not happy or satisfied with the value of the course, which I'm sure you will be, because I put so much fire into that course. Literally over 6 hours worth of information to just, level you up, giving you, some strategies on technical analysis, day trading, a lot of options trading information. It's super, super fire, y'all. This is a $2,500 course. Again, going for $200 for the next 5 people that email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. And again, there's no risk at all. It's a 100% money back guarantee for 72 hours. Hopefully y'all are, honest people, and y'all going to see the value of the course and, rock with me. But even if not, if for whatever reason you don't like it, 100% money back guarantee within 72 hours. So tap in with me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Let me know if you want the stock options trading course. Or if you want the technical analysis course. The technical analysis course goes more into depth on how to break down the charts, how to understand the candlesticks, how to do technical analysis, how to predict what's likely to happen next with price action. That is a very valuable skill to have when it comes to investing. And again, you can use this technical analysis course for stocks. You can use it for crypto. You can use it for Forex. You can use it for anything that comes with a chart. If a chart can be analyzed on it, you can use this course, my technical analysis course, for that. And then again, I got the crypto one-on-one course just to give you a well-rounded understanding of cryptocurrency investing. If you want all 3, tap in with me. Let me know. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Now, let's see. I know that was a nice little plug there, but I want all my community members to eat. I want y'all to have more options at getting money. I want you to take a piece of paper, write down on that paper all the different streams of income that you have. All the different streams that you make money from this, okay? Make money from that, make money from this, make money from this. I want y'all to continue to increase those streams of income. That's how you really get wealthy. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Even though most millionaires made their first million through real estate, keep that in mind, but the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. So I want to help y'all, in this new digital age, produce as many streams of income as possible, whether it be through crypto investing, stock investing, real estate investing, business, whatever it is. Let's get to the bag, man. Shout out to PD though. Shout out to Pedro. Said, what are your thoughts on the medium housing sales on the USD SPT clock and the drop off this last year? So I don't have, I don't like to pretend on this channel that we got more information than we do, but that's not my strong suit. I do know a little about the housing market, but not enough yet to just formulate, not to the point to give, housing advice. Now, we are working on some things. I got some books that I'm reading on. I've done some dabbling in real estate investing myself. But as far as the medium housing sales on the USD SPT clock, I don't got information on that, bro. But I got a book here that, hold on, let me see. Where is this book at? I got a book that I'm reading that does go over information like that. So it's really okay, I can't find the book here. I don't see it. I might have it downstairs, but it's an economic indicator book. So it's an economic indicator book for dummies. If you've been following the channel, you might have seen a few live streams where we went through and we, read a few chapters of it, but I'm not finished with that book yet. So I think that book might cover more on that, but I haven't completed that book. But I will try to, just look into that, just because, anytime somebody presents something to me that I don't know, I like to try to look into it if I have the time. But Haven Peck said, what year is it? I need a drink. Sheesh. Pedro says U.S. Department clock. Not sure what that is, bro. Mike Jones says, do you have any plans on lowering the buy/sell tax? No, not at the moment. Not at the moment, but we do have plans for a major burn. So we got 42 people in the building. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Also share the stream. Let everybody know we are live right now. So we're going to get over to Vegas Inu token in a second, bro. Right after we go through a few of these cryptocurrencies. And then I want y'all to ask all the questions about Vegas Inu token that y'all have, present any ideas that you have, let's try to, really continue to push this forward and add some fuel to it. Kieran says, I'd watch the side projects. Jay Butler says, yes, on the AI software information. Humble says, shout out to you, big bro, man. Salute to Humble, man. Appreciate bro holding it down. Another one of the real ones holding it down on the front lines. PD says, Pedro, I hope the housing market gets better because I just put my houses in an LLC, and as soon as I closed it, went into the trust. Okay, PD not playing. See, that's what we're gonna have to talk about, stuff like this, creating those living trusts and how to properly structure property and whatnot once you do own it. So we will be talking about real estate on the channel coming into this year. So expect to be hearing about that, because it's like, what are you going to do with those gains once you do make all this money through crypto? You want to be, trying to, and I'm not telling you what to do, but it's a good idea to get some investment properties. Get some property that you can generate some passive income from and have some continuous cash flow. That way you have more money coming in no matter what's going on. Mailbox money. Haven says, I was a bum financially before crypto. If I lost everything, I'd still be better off than when I started. LFG. Let's go, man. I like to hear those stories, man. People that understand and represent for how much crypto has changed their lives. I'm not gonna lie, I was doing my thing before investing in crypto or whatever, but nowhere near to the extent of money I was able to see after, getting into these markets and running across stocks like Tesla, cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. PD says, what cryptos do you take, sir, for payment? So I take BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin. We can get some shib in there. We can get some VIT in there. So that's about it right now. BNB, Ethereum, shib, VIT. If there's one you want to pay with and I haven't mentioned it, just let me know and I'll let you know. Haven Peck says that's 20 million sheeps. Flamingo says, hey, y'all, hope everyone is doing well today, man. Salute to Flamingo. How you doing, Flamingo? How are you doing today? Love Vibe says, will you be making videos about ISO tokens such as XRP, XDC, XLM, etc.? I think more people need to know about what these tokens are doing in the global market. I definitely would like to. It just doesn't look like people have the interest. Obviously, we could talk about whatever on the channel, that I want, but I also want y'all to be receptive to it. I want it to be things that y'all are interested in. To be honest, XLM is one of my favorite projects, but you don't see me talk about it on the channel because when I do talk about it, the interest isn't there. But if y'all are interested in ISO tokens like XRP, XDC, XLM, let me know. Let me know. If we get community support for those types of videos, I would definitely make content on it. Shout out to Praise says, look at Raincoin. Okay, haven't heard of that one. McLovin said, Money Mondays with Fresh and Fit. JT Corpella says, high rollers falling asleep any minute now, but I'm here. Salute. What time is it where you at, JT? Shout out to JT, man. Pedro says, do you think the economy will drop soon? Now, honestly, I don't want it to, but I do keep that in mind because anytime things start to going a little too good, they always hit us with an okie doke. So I wouldn't be surprised either if we see a major shake in the economy before, everything starts to take off again. Keep that in mind because they want to shake people off the boat before things really start moving. Shout out to A1 said, hi rollers. Salute A1, another real one holding it down on the front lines. A1, what happened to your channel membership? Mike Jones in the building says 777. A1 said pre-sale gang, Vit, lending dap. What's up, Vitoshi? Man, chilling. We about to talk about some Vegas Inu token updates right here. Just wanted to talk about a few things the community wanted to talk about on the chat real quick. But yeah, I'm excited, man, for our future. Ryan says, do you know anything or much about Bone? Yeah, we know about Bone. We know about the entire SHIB ecosystem. What's your question on Bone? Shout out to Crawfish at XRP. Kenobi says, do you think that 100 million SHIB is a big bag? It's an okay bag for depending on what level you're at, but you definitely can have more. A1 says, definitely interested in okay. PD says, I got son hitting up broski for the class. Okay, that's what's up. Flamingo says, I'm doing okay. I'm hoping that's good. I'm doing good. Thank you. When you be live, you always seem to cover all areas of cryptos. That's awesome. Yeah, I try to give y'all a nice update across the board, for what's relevant to the channel and what's relevant to us to making some money. A1 says, JT scoot over. I'm on day 12 of working 12s. I could use a nap. Sheesh, getting it in. Good work, A1. PD said, Flamingo, salute. Roland says, 777, stay bullish. KC says, how do you sign up for YouTube membership or your Patreon? You can click the link below. It should have a join button. So if you click that join button down below, if you're on you might have to switch devices if you don't see it. I remember someone telling me they had to change devices. They had to go into a computer, or if they were on a computer, they had to go over to a laptop or, not laptop, but a phone. But it should be right below. It has a join button. Or if you check my description section, you should see a link that will allow you to join and become a channel member. Shout out to KC Williams, man. Appreciate the support. Ryan says, do you know if we are close to getting on any bigger exchanges for Bone? Any talk on Binance or anything? No, I don't have that information. But, I am bullish on Bone. It is the gas token of shibArmy. shibArmy is improving. shibArmy is growing. So as that grows, we can expect to see Bone pick up as well. I think Bone is very undervalued, to be honest. A1 says, I have to go reactivate it. I have a bunch of random subscriptions, so I keep my card locked. Okay. No worries. Pedro says, thoughts on Stag? It's a revive of SafeMoon. It's old SafeMoon holders. No, I haven't heard of that one yet. But I am curious to see what the old SafeMoon holders are working on, because, the community was a good community. Just because, the dev team, were doing what they did doesn't mean that was a bad community. So I'm definitely interested in checking it out. I love community projects with solid, real communities, because that's what keeps a project going. Okay, y'all. So now let's jump back over here, finish out these prices, and we can talk about what we came to talk about, man. Make sure you hit the like button. We got BNB at 381, man. That looks good for Vegas Inu token because we are on the BNB chain, y'all. So also, we got Solana at 103.93, XRP at 54 cents, Cardano at 59 cents, AVAX at $36.77, Doge at 8 cents. When we start to see Doge move, y'all, when Doge starts to move, we're going to get sympathy over at SHIB, and then we're going to start to see Shiba Inu move. Be patient. A lot of people are saying we see everything else moving, but Shiba Inu's not doing anything. What's going on? Or is it dead? That's how I know y'all haven't been in crypto for a long time. Because if you don't know, if you have never seen a project, kind of mellow out, or, trade sideways, basically, that means, nothing major is happening, and you haven't been through that yet. That means you're still new to the game, man. Some projects trade sideways for a while, and then out of nowhere, boom, breakout. Everybody wishing that they would have, still stayed on the project or found the project sooner. But these are the opportunities that you have when projects are trading sideways or not taking off. So that's, if you connecting the dots, sounding like Vegas Inu token right now with that sideways trading we got going on. But once everything trickles down, we're gonna see Doge pump, y'all. Trust me, the DogeArmy is still there. DogeArmy has been holding on since 2013. I'm still holding my Doge. There's a lot of people still holding. You're gonna see those people revive and just awaken like like you know those movies where they show like the vampire, the ancient vampires waking up from a 1,000-year slumber or something like that. That's what you're gonna see once you start to see Dogecoin pump. You're gonna be seeing all these crypto people, come back to life, back excited again, and you're gonna want to be one of those people that said, "Nah, I recognize before y'all woke up, I was loading the boat." Then we got Tron 13 cents, Link at 1851, Dot at 779, Matic at 99 cents, Coin at 211, Uniswap at $11.34. Man, I've been telling y'all about Uniswap when Uniswap was like $2. I've been trying to tell people about Uniswap for a while. Because you got to realize, like, look at the all-time high, $44. So right now it's at $11.31. So around 4x from where it's at right now. But Uniswap is one of those projects, y'all, that as the meme coin space, as Ethereum does well, Uniswap will do well, because that's where a lot of the DeFi exchanging takes place. A lot of people go straight to Uniswap. And as more people utilize Uniswap, we're going to see it continue to spike. So look, it just broke out from $7 to 11 straight up. Boom. Didn't even retrace really. Well, it did go to 13. It went to about $13 and then retraced. But look at this candle right here. It happened all in one movement, y'all. One movement. Uniswap is going to be taken off. Uniswap is undervalued. I think Uniswap should be a $100 token as well. Let's see what the market cap on Uniswap is. 6 billion. Uniswap is a 50 billion. I'm just talking right now. I'm just talking out the side of my neck. But I truly do believe I could see Uniswap, sitting at a $50 billion market cap. That's how valuable it is. Let's take a look at some of the other ones. For Uniswap to be at $6 billion market cap, let's see. Coin, interesting. Coin is, I believe, the coin for Telegram. I think Uniswap should be above that. So that will put it around 7.3. Matic, Link, Tron. Let's see. Now, obviously, when I say $50 billion market cap, that's, not at these levels right now, but as the rest of the market picks up. Let's say if we were at, all-time high, I could see, if we got back to all-time high, I could see Uniswap truly being like a top 10. So like a 10, so over, I'll say like a $20 billion market cap. Once everything else starts to pick up, it should be, because it's just that valuable. It's that valuable to the entire DeFi ecosystem. Where else, think about it. What top exchanges, what's the top exchange people use when it comes to DeFi swap? And then we got Shiba Inu at 509639, up 1.1% on the day. Little green right there for y'all that continue dollar cost averaging. And like I said, when Doge starts to moon, expect Shiba Inu to go crazy as well. I hope y'all got y'all bags together, man. I hope y'all got your bags together. It's going to take off fast. You think Shiba Inu is really a token that's only worth 50964? That's what y'all think Shiba Inu is worth? If you think that, obviously, the market has to think that, because that's what the price is at right now. I'm just talking, y'all. But if you think that's all it's worth, you're crazy. You are crazy. Shiba Inu is one of those ones. Shiba Inu will be here for the next, years to come. That's how confident I am in SHIB. I truly believe SHIB will be around for the next 10 years or more. Because think about it. We already seen that happen with Doge. So we know meme coins can exist. Doge came out like, 2013. So we know meme coins can exist, for over a 10-year period. Think about if you're one of those early investors in Doge and you held out, to the last bull run. Mike Jones says, I watched the ISO. Okay, so far I have XLM, HBAR, XRP, and Cardano. Okay, cool. So how do y'all feel? I didn't get too many responses, though, on that AI technology. Are y'all interested in learning I might just start dropping the content anyway. Just drop it on y'all heads anyway and let who pick it up, pick it up. But are y'all interested in learning more about ways to make money with AI? You know, different ways to generate income outside of just crypto. So that way we have more money to invest into crypto. Let me know, are y'all interested in that? Peter said, need desk info. What info you need, bro? A1 says, y'all hit that like button. Make sure you hit that like button. I need all 52 people to hit the like button. Roland says, what's your take on Sandbox? I think Sandbox is super dope, man. I think they're a leader, you know, in the VR, metaverse, you know, space. I think they're, you know, a little ahead of their time. So if they don't get, you know, washed out, you know, they will be, you know, they were one of the biggest players last time. So, you know, I think they'll keep that. I'm bullish on it. Pedro says, I've been impressed with Tron. Justin Sun has done a good job. Yeah, Tron holding nicely. Almost a top 10 right now. Shout out to the Tron. Roland says, yes, sir. TG desk. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna check that in 1 second, bro. Let me so let me jump on over here to real quick Bone price, because I want to get into Vegas Inu token. So Bone right now at 59 cents, up 2%. We got Bad Idea at 702141, up 0.5%. And then we got to see what, let's check out Shiboshi's. So Shiboshi's is up to 538. So if you watched my last video on that, you would be in profit if you did grab some of that. Let's check out Leash real quick. That was a crazy pump Leash did, but I like to see that, you know, when the team does create a new utility or something, you know, exciting, that they can attach, you know, so Leash at 290, they can attach, you know, one of these exclusivity tokens, or, you know, one of these access tokens to the launch or whatever the new update is, and people will go out there and buy it. So I like to see that. So shout out to those that had their Leash, you know, loaded up and then were able to get some gains in when it pumped to 309. Okay, so now let's check out Vegas Inu token, y'all. So Vegas Inu token right now sitting at 6 zeros, 5414, up 1.68% in the last 24 hours, y'all. So I know it did pull back, which we can expect that with all cryptocurrency projects, especially you know, when things are brand new and we're still, you know, building up that community. But we got some exciting things coming, y'all. Right now, we will be doing a 1 billion Vegas Inu token burn today, which will increase the position of the dead wallet. Also, we will be doing a $5,000, yes, you heard that right, $5,000 burn of Vegas Inu token once we hit let me see where we at right here. So once we hit 7,000 points per coin again, we will be burning $5,000 of Vegas Inu token, y'all. I think that's over like 10 billion VIT right now. So that's a nice chunk that will be taken out of the supply. And then we'll be doing another burn once we get back to 1,000 or 5 zeros. So once we eat that zero, we will be doing another major burn. So we got a $5,000 burn at 7,000 points per coin. That's 5K right there. And then at the next stop, we'll be doing another one of a minimum of at least another 5,000. It might even be 10,000 at that point, y'all. Depending on, you know, what we can get going, it might even be a $10,000 burn at that next point. So 5K burn here, 5 to 10K burn here. So super deflationary, y'all. Major burns coming up, y'all. That'll be over, you know, $10,000 to $15,000 in VIT burned, gone forever. So right now we got 120K in liquidity. Market cap sitting at a little over $500,000. 449 holders. We've been sitting at this level for a while, but one thing that is good about this is that, we can see that this has stayed consistent, so it shows that we have a core group here. Now we can all 449 of us can start working together to bring more people into the community. We can start, posting more about it, start, spreading the word about it more, and, just getting people excited about VIT again. Also, we officially just reapplied for our CMC listing, y'all. We just got the application back in. Now, I did see just a transparency right here, y'all. A little transparency. CMC, we did the CMC listing last time in the CoinGecko listing. CoinGecko didn't really give us too much information on why they didn't accept it. I thought it was because maybe we didn't put a verification like code inside of the email, but with CMC, I thought it was the same thing as well, which it still is a possibility. But I checked one of my spam emails and seen that someone from, it looks like CoinMarketCap, reached out and basically said, hey, we can get the project listed, but there is a listing fee. So I'm just, making sure that that is accurate before we, just send these funds off to a scammer or something like that. And if that's the case, then we will be paying that listing fee. So we can, be possibly expecting, if it's legit and these are the right people, then I'll be doing that ASAP. So we can expect to possibly be listed as soon as they respond back and let me know that, this is legit. So that's one thing we got. Also, talk to the developers on the lending DApp. They think just a rough estimate, y'all. A rough estimate. Don't hang me to the stake. I learned not to give out, timelines for things just in case it takes a little longer. The community isn't upset with you, but they said about 2 months. It could take about 2 months, and they said it in possibly 2.5 months, to really do it right. They said they could rush something and just get something, but it's like, nah, let's do it right. Let's be patient. Let's actually get something that's useful, adds value, and the community really wants to use, and it's something good. So we got the lending DApp in progress. We have a game being worked on. This is a lottery style game, just to add some excitement to the community, also add some benefits and some fun around it as well, getting more just trying to attract more people into VIT as well, and give the people that are already inside of it something else to do to be able to, possibly, I don't want to say too much, but let's just say to win let's just say to win some cool things. So game in progress, lending DApp, also community efforts. We got some things coming from that side of things. Join the Telegram to learn more about the community side of things. I really recommend it. You can see that we really have a core community here, people who are excited about the project and continue to push forward with the project. Get in there ASAP. But a few things the community is working on: a crypto faucet, also some merch as well, and some other things also that are just not at the point to be talked about yet, but some exciting things nonetheless. Now, also, we are working to get this interview locked in with K9 Finance. We did agree that we will be doing it. We just got to see what's the best time to do it. And we will be talking with K9 Finance, figuring out how we can create a win-win situation with Vegas Inu token and a K9 Finance partnership, or just whatever we can do to create a win-win situation. If you don't know who K9 Finance is, this is a official partner of Shibarium. They are an official partner, y'all. So this is big to be able to share a stage with somebody who has such a close insight or connection with the Shibarium team. So that's big right there. And then also, let me see what we got here. Okay, so we talked about the burn. Okay, and we also have some more community competition. So we're going to get back on trying to just generate more activity within the project, you know, getting people excited about it again. We've been paying out all the people from the buy contest and, you know, the competitions that have been won. Everybody should be paid out. If anyone isn't yet, just tell them to contact me, or if you're one of my mods, you can get their information for them and send it to me, and I'll get their payment sent out. But everybody that I've seen so far has been paid out with everything right there, so that's good. Also, we got our NFT collection, you know, closer and closer. We're coming closer and closer to the time of that NFT collection. Now, there's some exciting things with that collection that I can't just mention yet, but it will have utilities tied right into it, right away, right into it. There will be some special perks / utilities that people that participate in the NFT collection will be able to take advantage of. Now, if you want to be whitelisted for the NFT collection, you got to make sure that you grab some of the Vegas Inu token merch from the official link. Is in the description section of this video. Once you grab some of the merch, just leave a message saying that you, with your wallet address, saying that you would like to be whitelisted, and you will be added to that list. Now, we got some connect the dots, man. We got some exciting, if y'all been paying attention to the landscape of what's been taking place with, you know, NFTs and whatnot. So we're going to drop our collection, and then we're going to have something very, very special for those on the back end. Let's see. Let me catch up with a few of these comments real quick. Evan Curtis says update on Wojak chart. Let's see if we still got Wojak on the watch list. Okay, Wojak up 9% today. See, this is an example here of a project that can trade sideways for a while. Take a look during August, all during this time, trading sideways all during September, October. Then look, out of nowhere, boom, 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 starting to make progress again. This is one of those projects that you want to pay attention to. When the community is still with the project can never die. As long as the community is still supporting the project, that's all that matters. And then 120K in volume in the last 24 hours, 2.83 million in locked liquidity. I think that's good. You know, this is looking good, y'all. You know, I'm still holding on my Wojak. I believe I took a little gains out of this when I was up, but I did leave some just to hold on to. A lot of times I don't like to sell all of my meme coins, especially if it's something that you know, has some potential. Even if I take profits, I'll still like to hold a little bit left over. But it's looking good though. Pedro says yes on the AI contents. Okay. Flamingo says, I mean, it won't be a bad idea to see what's up with AI. I'm not really up on all the AI news though. Okay. Definitely got it, man. It's a lot going on with AI right now. Essence says, hit the like button, fam. Make sure y'all do that. Shout out to Essence. Nunya says, Bone is the next Solana. I like that comparison. Timothy says, high vibrations, big dog. What's your take on Drip X? I know you know a little the drip. Actually, that's one I didn't really follow. Let's see if that's on here. I didn't do a video on that one. Okay, so this one just dropped. So market cap just under a million, 374 in liquidity. It's not locked though, so you know you want to be careful there. Unless you know who the owners of the project are, and you know you can be certain that they're not going to rug you. 2,000 holders already. That's nice. 286K in volume. That is nice right there. I can't see how much is in buys and sales though, but up 112% in the last 24 hours. Let's look at the 15-minute. Okay, so this thing is really moving. Let's see. If you want to jump in this one, I might wait for that pullback to around 1,300 points per coin, maybe. It actually did pull back. It broke out there and pulled up there. So it might not even pull right there. It might only pull back. That's one level it could pull back to. It might pull back to only 1479. Because that's where we start to see it make support at, and that's right along that mid Bollinger Band area. So it might pull back to 1479 if y'all thinking about grabbing this one. But this one does look nice. Definitely gonna throw this on the watch list. Pedro says, I've got Singularity in ICP and a few other coins of AI. Okay, dope. Essence dropping that fire for the burn. Says thoughts on Crow. Crow is one of those blue chips that I think, will just do well over the span of crypto, because you got to think of what Crow's utility is, what it provides to the space. Anything that provides a utility like that to the space, I'm bullish on, because that's what, a part of crypto is about, utility. Not all about utility, but a part of it is really big on utility. The better utility, the more people like your utilities that you present, the more people are interested in possibly grabbing, your project. So I'm bullish on Crow. Ryan says, is he going to get on shibArmy? So that's one thing. Let me ask y'all real quick. Matter of fact, let me do a poll in the Telegram. So I'm going to ask y'all here, and I'm going to do a poll inside the Telegram. What happened to the poll button? I don't see the poll button on Telegram no more. I used to see the poll button on there, but I'll just ask in the chat, do y'all want Vegas Inu token on shibArmy? Would y'all like us to bridge over there as well to be able to, tap into that shibArmy audience and more of the shibArmy also? Is that something y'all would be interested in as a community? If the community is interested in that, we could possibly make that happen, y'all. Let me know. Let me know. Where is the poll button? Hold on, let me look it up real quick. It used to be right there.
Hello, in today's video we would like to show how you can create.
Also, y'all, while we find out how to create this poll, let me know, do y'all want Vegas Inu token on shibArmy so we can tap into that shibArmy and shibArmy community? Are y'all interested in that? Let me know. But also, for those that are interested in making money outside of just crypto investing, I got my stock options trading course, and not even just, interested in making money outside of it. Yes, that's one of the byproducts of it, but just increasing your education. I got my stock options trading course, my technical analysis course, and my crypto one-on-one course. That's 3 courses. Each of these courses will turn you up to an entirely different level. If you are one of those people that's like, I don't know what's going on, I'm not progressing right now, I need something, some sauce, something more, this is for you. This is my $2,500 course available to my community for a limited time for $200. I got the first 5 people that email me, and actually I already got a couple emails, so be payment ready if you want to take advantage of this, because it's only 5 slots right now. So 5 slots for you to get one of my courses for $200. These courses go for $2,500. And it's really more valuable than $2,500. I would say these courses are easily worth $5,000 to $10,000, depending on how much you value this type of information. But inside of the course, you will see me make thousands of dollars using the same information that I'm teaching you. I believe one of the sessions I probably made around like 5K. You teaching everything that I'm walking you through in the course, literally step by step. So that way you have the information to succeed and repeat this process on your own with other stocks. $200. I want to see everybody eat. Small investment for, considering what you're getting back from it. You got knowledge or information that you can have for a lifetime, and you'll also, make some money. Everybody who I've had take the course as a test before I actually launched it, to see, can this take a person from level zero, to being profitable, making money, trading options. Every person I tested out with, they were able to start making money trading options after taking this course. So I highly, highly recommend it. My stock options trading course, if you want to learn day trading, options trading. My technical analysis course, if you want to deep dive, focus on technical analysis, how to understand and interpret the data on the charts, how to process all that information, how to recognize chart patterns, how to understand indicators, how to use them, how to use tools, and just how to put all that information together to be a better informed investor. Tap in ASAP. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. $2,500 course going for only $200 for the first 5 people. Let's see. Ryan says Vegas Inu is what I mean getting on shibarium. So we just asked the question, do y'all want to see Vegas Inu token on shibarium? PD says, Ryan, be patient. Soon fam Mike Jones says, would you be interested in getting VIT on another DEX? Yeah, what DEX is that? If they'll put us on there for free, for sure. Nunya says, shout out to Priscilla for the commercial on Cam Radio. I missed that commercial. Somebody send me the link to the commercial, man. I missed that. Roland says, go to CoinMarketCap and give thumbs up and jump into the community space in CMC so that they can see how strong the VIT community is and growing. That's a very, very good idea right now. We just posted the link on the Twitter page. Let's see. Let me go back to the Twitter page. We just posted the link to the CoinMarketCap BSC scan. So come here, make sure you give it a like, add it to your watch list. We got 69, 70 likes right here. Go give it a thumbs up right there. We are at 70. We should be at 100 by, I want to say the end of this stream, but I don't want to set y'all up for failure. We should be at 100 though. We should at least be able to get this to 100. You want people to see the project and feel confident in it. You want people to see the project and feel safe with it, knowing that the community is behind it. This is something that the community has to do. I can't come in here and like it with a bot. I'm sure that you can pay for that service. I'm sure you probably can, but we'd rather keep it organic though. But come over here, join the community on CoinMarketCap. Check the link on, matter of fact, let me post a link in the chat. I'm gonna drop the link in the chat for y'all. So they will be looking out for us, y'all. You got to make some noise. Let them know. Juan says she burns. Definitely want to work on that. Mike Jones dropping the fire. PD says Crow's a good buy. Yeah, I'm bullish on Crow. Ryan says, hey, what if you made a slot machine or whatever, have pictures like different restaurants or whatever, and have them pay for the slots to have it making money for the group for Burns. So we can implement a lot of ideas like that, advertised basically burns through partnerships and things like that. So definitely, if the community wants to get together and work on something like that, I'm definitely up for it. Join the Telegram and get it going. PD says NFT broski, salute. Ryan says making money for you and other people helping you, and you can burn any extra that you make to help the community. I definitely like the idea. There's something similar that we're thinking on, but I'm open to the community doing something as well. Juan says, "Hey DD, how much does it cost to make NFTs?" It really depends. It can go from a few thousand to tens of thousands, depending on the quality and everything you want to be incorporated. Shout out to Karwan says, or Karwan, says, love Vegas, boys, pump it, salute. Juan says, yes, 1000%. Ryan says, yes. BCR says, I think it's something to look into down the road. Essence says, yes. Roland says, connect the dots. A1 says, yes. Mike Jones says, the DEX I'm speaking of is a free listing for VIT, so it's only upside for the community. They have cheaper gas fees than Uniswap. Okay, nice. Okay, send me the info. How can we get on there? Flamingo says, of course. Humble says, yes to shibArmy. Tillery says, definitely. Humble says, and we do cross chain, BNB and shibArmy, 2 chains. Juan says, you should do an NFT class. Okay, that's dope. BCR says, I was curious if you have thoughts on implementing a transfer function within the Vegas Inu contract outside of the buy and sale tax. So, what do you mean by the implementing the transfer function? Because you can transfer now. Are you saying the transfer without the tax? Nanya says, I posted the commercial in TG. Okay, I'm going to go check that out. And there's the link to the BSC scan for Vegas Inu token on CoinMarketCap if you want to check that out and give it a thumbs up. Okay, looks like there's overwhelming support for Vegas Inu token on shibArmy, which I'm glad y'all said that, because there's already some things we've been looking into. You just got to see what the community wants as well, though. But I'm glad y'all all are in agreement with that. But also, I like this idea here. Juan says you should do an NFT class. Would y'all be interested if I did a class on, creating your own cryptocurrency and a class on NFTs? Let me know which one you would be interested in, or both, if you would be interested in both. I really want to level everyone's knowledge up. I really want everybody to turn up and not sit on the sidelines as just investors. I want y'all to add value to the space as well. BCR says, I was curious if you have thoughts on implement. Okay. Let's see. Love Vibe says the saucer swap token is one to check that is on Hedera. Okay. Send me that one on Telegram. Send me the information to that one on Telegram. Okay, we got the poll up right now in the Telegram. Make sure you go vote on it. Hey, none you post the commercial again. I don't see it. The poll is up. The poll is up. Someone said we should put it on Solana too. Knight Rider 1980. What y'all think about Solana too? Let me know in the chat. Should I throw up a poll on getting VIT on Solana? Let me know in the YouTube chat. Let's see. BCR said transfer without the tax between wallets that are inside the ecosystem. So when creating games, every transaction will not be hit with the tax every time. That's definitely something to think about. Essence says, I would be interested in the class for both. Juan says, I think VIT should follow in the footsteps of the Sheep team when it came to the Shiboshi. Can you keep the tax? What tax, Juan? What do you mean? Essence says, yes, Solana too. Roland says, Shabirum, repeat, connect the dots. Once again, connect them so you can relax and watch the show with your bags packed if you bridge over. I would have to look into that, bro. Mike says, let's do it. Solana, Shibarium, let's cook. See, y'all trying to cook. I'm going to throw the poll up. I'm gonna throw the poll up for Solana as well. Okay, we got a VIT commercial.
It's your girl Priscilla A, and today I want to talk to you about multiplying your money. If you're looking for a way to passively invest your funds, cryptocurrency could be it. I've been following DecemberDeMarco, aka the Stock Goat.
What?
He is a Fortune 500 stock marketer and a cryptocurrency
Shout out to
trader.
PAP, man.
And he's created his new token called Vegas Inu token. Y'all, this is not financial advice, but I believe this could be big, so I wanted to share it with you. Vegas Inu token could be one of the next big crypto coins. So check him out, see for yourself. You can follow him on all platforms at DecemberDeMarco on YouTube, X, Instagram, and Facebook. Vegas Inu token. See for yourself. I learned a lot, and I'm sure you will too.
Whoa, let's go, man. Shout out to PAP, man. I appreciate that, Priscilla. I don't know if she in the stream right now, but if you catch this on the replay, salute to you. Major shout out. That was a super dope commercial right there. Hey, that was my first time hearing it, man. That just geeked me up. Shout out to PAP, man. We're going to have to do something special for her for that one. That's what it's about. Look at this, y'all. The community taking the initiative to do what they can to spread the word about the project. This is a true community-driven project, y'all, and we only just getting started. Like I told y'all, man, we got a burn, a nice burn coming up. So we're going to do a 1 billion token burn today. That's just today. But at 7,000 points per coin, once we're back at that level, we are going to be, let me see where we at. We are going to, let me zoom out. Let's go to 4 hour. At that 7 points per coin level, So 7,000 points per coin. Right here, we will be burning $5,000 worth of Vegas Inu token. Spread the word. Let everybody know. That's a $5,000 token burn that will be gone from circulation forever. For absolute ever. And then at 1,000, or once we delete that zero, that will be another $5,000 to $10,000 burn of Vegas Inu token, y'all. Going out of circulating supply forever. Think about it. Once these tokens are gone, they're gone forever. And it's also making the burn wallet bigger and bigger. As the burn wallet becomes bigger and bigger, it removes even more tokens out of circulation. So super fire tokenomics right there. Also remember, you get reflections on that. So when those burns do take place, you will be seeing your wallet balance increase. So that's a nice little a bonus kickback for the community as well on those burns that take place. A lot of projects, when they burn, you see the projects burn, but you don't actually receive anything from the burn because the reflections aren't there. But yes, when these burns take place, the entire community that's holding will be receiving something. So let's see. Juan says VIT tax. So I'm not sure exactly. I'm going to be tapping in with my developer friends and, seeing how that process can be done as best as possible. Mike Jones says, I sent you the info on the DEX in our VIT Telegram. Okay, appreciate that. PD says, I'm down with Soul. What is the gas? What is that? Gas, radium? I'm not sure. Love Vibe says, I just DM you in Telegram about sauce. Okay, appreciate that. Tillery Mills says, yes. K Holmes says, high rollers, VIT, let's go. Tillery says, soul. Tillery says, give me your soul, LFG. Ryan says, yes, get it on everything. The more eyes, the better. That's a good point, man. PD says, good job at Pat. BCR says, it was a good ad and is going to be in rotation for the next 2 weeks. That is fire. Flamingo Pear says, oh, wow, okay. Much love to her for that commercial. Yeah, that was dope. Nunya says the VIT community is in it to win it. Facts. This is the time, man. I know, for some people that want things to happen overnight, it can be, a little longer for them. But this is the thing. We're continuously building. We're continuously pushing forward. Long as we don't stop and we just keep pushing, the community still supports. We always got something here, y'all. We're going to continue developing. We're going to continue, trying to spread the word about it. We almost at that 450 holder mark. We're going to try to get 500 holders in. Matter of fact, once we get to 500 holders, we'll be doing another burn. So at 500 holders, we'll be doing another burn as well. So spread the word on that. So we got 5K burn coming at 7,000 points per coin. A 5 to 10K burn at 1,000 points per coin. And whenever we hit 500 holders, we'll be doing another burn at that point. So we got some nice burns coming up, y'all. If you hold on to some tokens, they are about to get a lot more valuable. Juan says, I want and need an NFT and smart. Mike Jones says, don't fade, that DEX is going to be huge. Definitely going to be checking it out, man. Definitely will. All y'all that DM'd me, I will be, checking it out. Let's see. Okay, y'all, I'm responding to a few people right now for the course discount. I'm responding right now to the course discount. I got 3 people that responded. So make sure y'all respond to the messages. I say it again. We got 3 of my courses going right now for only $200 when they're normally priced at $2,500. The price will be going up soon. Take advantage of it while the price is low. This is going to level up your education. Taking this course, you will have the knowledge to make a lot more money after taking the course. And there is a 100% money back guarantee for the first 72 hours. So there's nothing you have to worry about. All right, y'all, hold on. I'm almost done with this. Okay, so if you reached out to lock in the course via email, check your emails ASAP. That way you can secure your spots. We got 2 spots left if these people lock it in right here. Again, we will be doing a major burn at 7,000 points per coin. Let everybody know. Also, potentially coming to shibarium, potentially coming to Solana soon. So you want to be loaded up, man. You don't want to wait until, there's more people excited about the project and you're paying a much more higher price for things. Take advantage of the prices while they are cheap. Like I said, also we got some exciting things coming up. We got that listing in. Let's see. Okay. Juan says, LOL, big thumbs up. I have an idea for a way for Vit to burn sheep and bad. Definitely, if you got any ideas for the project, spread them around in the Telegram, share more information on it. So that way, the community can have information on it and get ideas from it and possibly help you work on it. And also my moderators will let me know about it if I happen to miss it. Juan says, DD, the idea is 100% free to take. I just want to see Vit shine so I can build the shack. For sure, like I said, I'm with it. We are a community driven project. If you got an idea, something you want to do, feel free to do it. Talk about it in the Telegram with the community, and those who have similar skill sets can help you work on it and bring it to life. And anything we can do over here that will, help push it, we'll get the word out as well. So let's see. Let's get this. We got a 1 billion token burn coming up. But let's see how much would it be to burn? Let's see. Hold on, let me check something. Okay, I'm just trying to check the value of something real quick. Okay, y'all, we about to get this burn going. PD said check Gmail desk. Let me see. If you're trying to send me an email, you got to make sure you send it to DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Also, those of y'all that reached out for the discount on the course, I have responded to you. Check your email so that way your spot does not get swiped. You got to have payment in to secure the spot. Future Wealthier says, I'm still holding. Good work. BCR says, Juan, I'll help in any way I can. That's dope. So, Juan, make sure you get in touch with BCR in the Telegram. Juan says, what the Sheem team did with the whole 404 and Shiboshi is the key. Let's start a food fight, LOL. Hey, you connecting some dots there, Juan. Juan, you are connecting some dots. Ryan Rayburn says, I'm super excited for the casino. Do you have an idea of when that will come out? So you jumped the gun on us. You jumped the gun on us and said when the casino coming out. You know, we're working, building up organically, at a small organic level to work our way up to hopefully one day we can, drop a casino, actually, either rebrand a casino or really buy a casino outright. That would be super dope. But we ain't at that point just yet. So we are about to do this 1 billion token burn. Okay, we might only have one more slot left, y'all. One more slot for those that are interested in getting a discounted course. If you would like my $2,500 stock options trading course, or my $2,500 crypto one-on-one course, or my $2,500 technical analysis course, you should be reaching out to me ASAP. We got one more slot available for $200. That's it. And it's a 100% money back guarantee. So if you're not happy or satisfied, you could just get your money back within 72 hours. So, that's a nice grace period, nice window. You don't got to feel pressured or anything, but the opportunity is there for those that are serious about taking their investment education to the next level. This is the opportunity. Email me right now if you are payment ready, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, y'all. So that's some of the things we got going on with VIT. Let me check the Telegram. TG, let me see. That was a super, super dope commercial. We need more votes on the polls. I need y'all to go to the Telegram and inform more people about the polls. Whenever y'all get in there, if y'all see somebody in there, make sure that they voted on the polls so we can have that information. Just burned another billion VIT right now, out of circulation, gone forever. You can view it on the BSC scan. The dead wallet just became 1 billion VIT richer. I need y'all to drop those fire emojis, man. We just burned a billion VIT, man. I'm about to post this on Twitter, X. I need y'all to let everybody know. I'm dropping it right now. I'm getting the post up right now, y'all. Okay, we got the post up, y'all. I need y'all to go like it. I need y'all to go share it. I need y'all to go let everybody know we just dropped 1 billion VIT to the dead wallet, gone forever. That's the crazy part about this, y'all. Y'all got to understand, when we're sending tokens over to the burn wallet, that is essentially literally burning money. That is essentially literally burning money. We just took another billion out of supply, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's see if we can get a green buy wall going right now on the chart. If we can get a green buy wall going on the chart right now, I'll burn another billion VIT. I'll burn another billion VIT right now. Let's see if we can do that. Y'all want to try it? If y'all want to try it, let me know real quick in the chat on YouTube. Juan says, burn, baby, burn. Juan says, let's start cooking. Petey said, broski, did you get that on Gmail? Yes, I wrote you back, Petey. BCR says, shout out to Venturer. He is down with the flu, wishing a speedy recovery. Oh, we gotta send some get well wishes for bro. You know we need one of the generals back. Make sure y'all tap in with VE and wish him well. Bro be going so hard. Mike Jones says community support at 1,000 LFG. Let's go. Danny B in the building says, hi, all. Another channel member, man. Salute to Danny B. Says Vegas Inu token VIT. Hey, all you. Hey, if you just now getting in this stream, this is a must run back. This one is a must run back. Shout out to PD says fire. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Burn time. Let's go. Jake Butler says on gang. And don't forget, y'all, we will be burning another 5,000 VIT. $5,000 worth of VIT at only 7,000 points per coin. We are not far away from that level, y'all. We are not far away from that level. Juan says fire. Future Wealthy there dropping those rockets. Ross Bone in the building with the fire. Dude Tyler says, what up, fam? Made it for the live stream finally. Good work, bro. Appreciate you pulling up on us. Shout out to Tyler. Future Wealthy there dropping that fire. KC Williams dropping that fire. Juan dropping us some love. Love Vibe says, let's go. Dude Tyler says, yes. Juan dropping that fire. Yeehaw says Tyler. Ryan fire. Essence says, let's go. Flamingo fire. K Home fire. Petey said, let's go. Man, salute to the high rollers, y'all. Salute to all the real ones. Let me know. Y'all want to get the burn the burn wall going? Or not the burn wall, my bad. The green wall going. If we get a green wall, we could burn an additional 1 billion tokens right here. Let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna give y'all about 2 minutes to let me know if y'all want to get the green wall going. Ryan says, heck yeah. Let me know. Y'all want to get the green wall going? All we have to do is get green buys going from the top to the bottom of this. The buy size does not matter. The buy size does not matter. It could be $1 buy. It could be $10,000 buy. We need green all the way from the top to the bottom. We done this a few times on the live stream. We done this several times. Or if y'all want to do super chat matching burns, we can do that as well. But so if we get this from the top to the bottom, all green buys coming in, that's 1 billion burned. And then if y'all want to do super chat match and burn, whatever you send in on a super chat, I will add it to the burn. Ryan says, let's go. We got to do that. We got to do it as a community. If we want it to happen, we got to start off and get that fire going. We got to start that, that smoldering process. Ryan says, let's go. Danny B says, green wall is the way. LFG. Tyler says, I'm dropping 500 on the 28th. Okay. Let's go. Let me know. Do y'all want as a community to get the green wall going? If we get the green wall going, that is an additional 1 billion Vegas Inu token burn. So not only did we do the stream today and burn 1 billion, that'll be 2 billion. An extra billion being burned from community, from community participation. Okay, let's see if y'all trying to get this green wallet going. PD said, give me a second. I'm moving tokens. Okay. Tyler says, wish I could today. Too much overhead at the moment. Nope, no worries. Ryan says, if we all put 50 a paycheck in and he's gonna be this awesome burning helping us ourselves. LFG. I'm trying to do it on my side. We got to work together. Love Vibe says, yes, let's go. Casey Williams says, let's run it. Roland says, hold on, give me 5 minutes. Danny B says, add into my bags now. Okay, so it looks like we might be getting an additional 1 billion Vegas Inu tokens burned. Let's see if we can make this happen, man. I need y'all to rally the troops. I need y'all to let them know in a Telegram that we have this going on. I need you to reach out to your people that you know might can help us accomplish this. If we get this green wall, that is an additional 1 billion Vegas Inu tokens burned forever. Also, I'm matching whatever we do on super chats will be burned. So if the community sends in, $100 on super chats, we will be burning 100 additional dollars of Vegas Inu token. So this is an opportunity right here. We can use these last few minutes to try to just burn some more of the supply and get that down. Let me know. Also, make sure you responded to the poll on Telegram. We got 2 polls up. Are you interested in seeing, obviously we know it's overwhelming support from the community, but just, throw it in there so that way, more people, throw your vote on there so more people can see that, the community is excited about this. Okay, we just got a buy that came through. Somebody did their part. Who was that? Danny B? Is that Danny B? P says, I'm trying to buy on MetaMask, but the slippage only had 5%. Okay, yeah, you got to adjust that slippage or use VoltiChange widget on the website, vegasinewtoken.com. Okay, y'all. I think people just need a moment to get their, get situated, get things together. But it's looking like we're gonna do this green wall challenge and possibly be burning another 1 billion VIT. The faster we can get this supply burnt down, the better. The tokens that you are holding become more valuable. Danny B says 1 bag down, 1 to go. Good work. Danny B said, yes, sir. The angry gamer in the building said, oh, VIT is going to go crazy. Yeah, we got some things in store, man. We cooking. We got some things in store. This is one of those projects that is going to surprise a lot of people, that people are going to wish they heard of. Like, how did you hear about this project so early? This project might, really change the way people do things. We still got our NFTs coming. This is going to be dope, y'all. Where y'all at? We trying to get this green wall going. We got 3 right now. We only need, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 more buys to come through. And we will be at a green wall burning 1 billion additional VIT. Doesn't matter if it's $1 buy, doesn't matter if it's $10,000 buy. We get that many more buys coming in to complete this green wall. That's another billion tokens burned. Let me know. We're gonna give it a couple minutes real quick, y'all. I'm about to run real quick to the bathroom and grab a drink. Hey, I need y'all to keep the chat active for me. If y'all rocking with me, keep the chat in the stream active. Let them know that we are working on the green wall, and I'm coming right back. Ryan says that's why we need more chains. The more chains, the crazy we can get. Ryan got a point there. I need y'all to keep the chat going, y'all. I'm about to run to the bathroom real quick and grab something to drink. Let's get this green wall going. That's an additional 1 billion tokens burn. Who knows? Depending on if we get to that 7,000 point per coin level during this 1 billion or during this green wall, that will trigger an additional 5,000 token burn. 5,000 token burn will be triggered if we get enough good buys coming in that pushes us to that 7,000 level. But regardless, if we get that green wall, we will be doing 1 billion tokens burn. Let everybody know in the Telegram, etc. All right, y'all, I'll be right back. Okay, we back. It look like the green wall is halfway complete. It looks like the green wall is halfway. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. This is a community right here. This is what we talking about. We even got the bots buying right now. Let's go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Only 16 more buys to come in, and we got the green wall complete. We already got how many buys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 buys just came in, y'all. One more just came in. One more buy just came in. Let's see if we can complete the green wall, man. That's an additional 1 billion VIT burn, man. Let's go. Community getting it done. Community getting it done. Let them know, y'all. Let them know. Pull up, pull up. If we happen to get to 7,000 points per coin, that will trigger a $5,000 burn, y'all. I think around this level, $5,000 of tokens burned will be about 10 billion. Yes, 10 billion VIT. Around this level is 10 billion VIT. So we need some big buys to come in too. If we can get some big buys to really push us up, we could possibly go from, 1 billion VIT to possibly 11 billion VIT burned. And that'll be, with the billion that we burned already, that'll be 12 billion VIT for the day. That would be a record day. Can we break a record and get 12 billion VIT burned today? We just got another one came through. We almost there. Eight more buys. One more just came. 7 more buys. All we need is 7 more buys. But we're going to need some of those big buys to take us up to that 7. We just got another one. We got another one. We only need 4 more buys. Three more buys, y'all. 3 more buys. We need some big buys to come in though to push us up to that 7,000. Look how close we are. Look how close we are to 7,000 points per coin, which will trigger an additional $5,000 burn. Crazy. Three more. Let's see if somebody can push us to that 7,000 points per coin level. Let's see. Danny B said about to top off bag 2. Let's go. Danny B said, done my part. Let's go, community. Let's make this happen. Let's make it happen. We just got another buy coming in. We need some bigger buys to push us though to that 7,000 points per coin level. Shout out to Essence. Shout out to Nunya. Shout out to the famousness. How you say that? The famous ones. 1,000 said, bro, why are your videos always so blurry? My video blurry? It don't look blurry to me. Is it blurry? Let me know. Is it blurry to y'all? Mike Jones in the building. Let's go. Let's see how many we got. We got 2 more left, y'all. 2 more left. Can we get some big buys to come through? Let's see if we could possibly get pushed through to that 7,000 points per coin level. Okay, we got another buy just came in. One more buy, and we burned 1 billion Vegas Inu token. 1 billion of them, y'all. 1 billion. Let's go. We got a green wall complete, man. I got to give a round of applause out to the Vegas Inu token community. The high rollers, this is what you call high rolling, man. Getting it done, coming together as a community to get this buy wall, this entire green wall filled up. Take a look at this, y'all. Buy, 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 buy. This is a good thing. You know, not only do we generate, momentum for the project by, getting up the volume, but also this is attractive to people coming to see this and saying, what's going on here? That the community is just all buys right now. They don't see any sales right now in this entire wall. Good work, y'all. We are about to burn an additional 1 billion VIT. Good work, community. Now, let's see. Can we keep going? Can we push it to 7,000 points per coin? Let me know what y'all think. Y'all think we done enough? Let me know in the chat. Do y'all think we did what we can do? Or do y'all think it's possible we can push and keep it going to 7,000 points per coin and we possibly break a record here today with a $5,000 Vegas Inu token burn, y'all? I believe that's over 10 billion tokens. Let me know. What do y'all think? Do we call it one? Do we say, we did what we could? Or do we keep it rolling? Shout out to Danny B. Shout out to Ryan says, heck yeah, guys, great job. Helping to help ourselves. Wonderful. Love Vibe says, let's go, high rollers. Good work. Salute to everybody. Let them know in the Telegram that we did get the green wall complete. But if y'all want to do the next level, we can try to push for the 7,000 points per coin. We get to that today. With a $5,000 burn on top of it, that might really shake something up. So let me know. Ryan said it's never enough. Winners are never happy. It's up to the community, man. I got the platform here. We hosting it here. It's up to the community. Y'all gotta let me know. Y'all gotta be vocal in the chat. How y'all feeling, community? Let me know. Danny B said, come on, peeps, let's push our limits. Roland says, yes, still going. So like a few people from the community want to keep it rolling. But it's up to y'all, though. Y'all gonna have to call in the cavalry, man. PD said I need to move ETH to BNB. You know you could do that using changenow.io. Shout out to Tony coming through with the locking in his spot for the course. Okay, we just had another buy come through, man. Salute. We about to burn this additional 1 billion, but we gonna see if we can, you know, not only just burn 1 billion, but if we could potentially get that 5,000 burn in today. Let's go. Just burned another 1 billion tokens. I need y'all to blow it up with those fire emojis, man. We just burned another 1 billion tokens, y'all. That's 2 billion tokens burned today. That is 2 billion with a B Vegas Inu tokens burned today, y'all. Just getting this second post up. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I see we got some more buys coming in. We got some more buys coming in, man. Y'all trying to push us to 7,000 points per coin? Y'all trying to get that burn done today? Look how close we are, y'all, to burning an additional 5. All we got to do is hit this blue line here. Actually, it's even lower. Let me get it exactly where it has to be. So all we got to do, y'all, is make it to the blue line and we burn $5,000 worth of Vegas Inu token on top of the 2 billion that we already burned, y'all. Shout out to everybody. Danny B says, dig deep, peeps. 10 billion burn on the line. 10 billion Vegas Inu token burn on the line. PD says, can we send money in super chat? Yes, we announced that too. Whatever sent on super chat, we'll be doing a burn for as well. So if $100 is sent on super chat, I'll burn an additional $100 worth. $1,000 sent on super chat, I'll burn an additional 1,000 worth. Roland says, I'm sacrificing some other coin and it's taking longer than expected to move. Jay Stan says, what's good? High roller. Salute to Jay Stan pulling up on us, folding it up. Daily Dis in the building says, is this worth it? You got to do your due diligence and determine, yourself. If you like community driven projects with, solid communities behind them, real communities, that are truly care about the project, and, connect the dots. Essence says fire. Jay Stan says fire. Nunya said fire. Ryan says fire. PD says we good on G. Deke, I'm not sure what that is. Casey Williams, fire. Ryan says, hell yeah, make it happen. Ryan says, helping him to help all of us. Alexander says, I hope Shiba Inu get to $2, man. I would love if Shiba ever do that. Triact says, what are we doing? So we got right now, we are trying to, we just completed a green wall. So take a look at this here. As you see on Dex Tools, we just got all buys coming in, all buys. We just did a challenge that if we can get this accomplished, we will be burning 1 billion tokens of Vegas Inu tokens. So we just did that. We just burned 1 billion for that. And we also burned 1 billion VIT around the beginning of this live stream. So that's 2 billion Vegas Inu tokens that we burned today. Now we got one more goal. If we can reach this blue line here, we will, well, not if, but when we do, when we reach this blue line here, we'll be burning an additional 5,000 worth of Vegas Inu token, y'all. PD on Gmail. Daily Dis says we got to get this on Club Shay Shay. Shout out to PD coming through with the 20. Oh, no, that's not PD. Damn, PD got the same pictures. You okay? Shout out to my high rollers using the VIT logo as their profile pictures. That's how I know who really, really locked in. Angry Gamer came through with the $20 for the $20 burn. Says, let's get this burn. FN popping. VIT for life, man. Shout out to the Angry Gamer coming through to support the mission. So that's an additional $20 that will be added to the burn. So we're trying to reach a price point where we can burn more of our supply. So that way the remaining tokens that are left in circulation become even more valuable. Ryan says, can you make another goal of a green candle and burn another billion if we get to it? Let's see, can you make another goal of a green candle? So let's see what we can do here. Hey, and I need y'all to all make sure y'all go over to Twitter, X, whatever you calling it, at Vegas Inu Token, and make sure you like all of our posts. We need engagement on all of the posts on Twitter. So that way when new people come check us out, they can see that the community is rocking with us. Again, we got that coin market cap listing submitted as well. Shout out to Carlos Pagan coming through. Said, brother, long time, man. Salute to all those that have been rocking with me for a while now, man. PD came through with another $20 super chat. That's 40 so far. He said, burn, baby, burn. Shout out to those coming through on the super chats to get that supply down, man. We got 40 so far on the super chat side from the community. Alexander says, I feel with inflation happening will help Shiba Inu get to 50 cent or $1, maybe $2. Man, I would love that. Coca-Cola's might be $50 at that point, but hey. And one of the most beautiful things with, Vegas Inu token, y'all, is it's all organic. This is all organic, no GMOs. Salute to PD coming through. He said, burn and buy on a new wallet. Good work, man. Appreciate that. Let's go. Let's see how far we are away. We are 23% away, y'all, from burning 5,000 or 10 billion Vegas Inu tokens approximately, y'all. That is a drastic amount. That will take let's see where that will take the dead wallet. Okay, so it still would be in third, but that would take the dead wallet to over 22 billion Vegas Inu tokens. 1/5 of the way from the second largest holding. Sheesh. Let's go, y'all. Spread the word. Spread the word. I think the community might be tired. Let's see. We're gonna give it another 2 minutes and see if we get another buy coming through. Alexander said real estate is going down. The dollar is going down. I believe cryptocurrency will have more value than the US dollar. I think that's going to take place too. You know, it's just a matter of time and adoption before we see that actually taking place. Think about it. A lot of people are having less and less faith in the US dollar. I don't know if y'all seen that interview from, I didn't watch the whole interview, but I just seen some of the clips from it and some of the headlines. Basically, Russian president Vladimir Putin is basically saying the US is killing the dollar. So if y'all are in the United States, you know, it's not looking too good for the dollar, but it is looking even better for cryptocurrency as a whole for those that are true believers. Shout out to y'all coming through. PD says, I just put on X, come and burn with Vegas Inu token. Shout out to Flamingo coming through with the $50 super sticker. Appreciate that. So far, let's see, what is that? Oh, we got another one from the Angry Gamer. Just why not? You feel me? Vit for life, man. Salute. That is 20, 40, 60. That is $110 additionally that will be burned from the community side. Shout out to Flamingo, Angry Gamer, and PD for helping on the community side with super chat burns. PD says, let's go, Flamingo. Thanks. Salute. And we just got 2 more buys that came in, y'all. We got 2 more buys. Actually, one of those buys was a bot. The bot is smelling something going on. The bot said, hold on, something going on here. Let me get in position before things really start to take off. That's how you can pay attention to bots too. Flamingo says, yeah, let's get it. Salute, salute. Let's see. Are we going to keep this going? Let's see how far away we are. We just had another buy come through. Let's it look like the ball might be rolling. Let's see if it keeps going. Let's see if it keeps going. Let's see if we can keep the ball rolling. We are not that far away from 7,000 points per coin, which will be around this price an additional 10 billion. Let me see. Let me check how many bit that'll be. So yeah, y'all, that's around 10 billion VIT at this level, y'all. Let's see. Let's see. PD says, wait, I got you. Angry Gamer says, some of y'all don't know how wealthy VIT is going to make y'all. PD said, I'm still moving tokens. Roland says, geez, my transaction took too long, but done. Let's go VIT. Alexander says, let's burn Shiba Inu coin. Triac Bay says, can't find it. Sheesh, having FOMO. Where do I get in? You can go to vechain.com. We got the VoltiChange widget on the website, or you can just go to Uniswap and you can type in the contract address. So I'll paste the contract address inside the chat, or go to the Telegram. Somebody will post the Telegram or the chat, not the chat, the contract address for you there, and then you can get some. Danny B says, feeling the Vegas Inu love tonight. Let's go. Here's the contract address on the screen for anyone that wants to grab it. Also, the contract address is in the description section of this video if you want to grab it there. We got more buys coming in, man. Salute to all the buyers coming in. Everybody supporting what we're doing over here with Vegas Inu token, you know, trying to help ourselves, man. 7,000 points per coin, and we burn around 10 billion VIT. We're burning $5,000 worth of VIT, and that's around 10 billion VIT at this price level. Damn, my bad. My bad. I meant Uniswap. My bad. I mean, not Uniswap, pancakeswap. I'm over here. I'm eating this Snickers, man. I haven't ate all day. You know what they say? You need a Snicker after you ain't ate all day. My bad, though. PancakeSwap. Go to PancakeSwap. You'll need BNB. And you can swap the BNB for your Vegas Inu token. Let's see. Me personally, I prefer Reese's. I'm a Reese's guy, but I got the sneaker right here for now. Let me see. Okay. We got the screen back. Let's see if we can keep those buys coming in, y'all. We just got, what, another 2 buys? We just got another 2 buys came in. We need some big buys to boost us through. We won't need that many buys if we can get bigger buys coming through. If bigger buys come through, it'll probably push us right around to that 7,000 points per coin level if we can get a few of those. Shout out to PD coming through with another one of them things, man. Hold on, let me see. Shout out to Mike Jones. I got the Snickers right now. We Snickers gang right now, but I prefer Reese's. Ryan says, and pretty soon, hopefully, shibArmy. That would be tons of eyes. Yeah, that would be fire. Alexander says, same. He preferred, I think, the Reese's. Angry Gamer says, we need a food truck, call it Vit Eats, and every food truck transaction burns down the total supply. That would be fire, man. I'm with all those types of utilities. Whatever y'all want to develop and bring, let me know. Danny B said Reese's, what is that, like 100,000 times or a million times better. McLovin says, I know, LOL, Snickers all day. Sheesh. PD dropped the 60 ball for the burn. Shout out to PD, man, doing what he can to get it done. That's what we at right now. Where were we at? That's 170. That's $170 right now from the community side on super chats. That will be burned, man. Salute. Angry Gamer says, by the way, I went to culinary school in my youth. Okay. So you know how to whip up some. What's your favorite dish to make, Angry Gamer? What's your like top two dishes that when you make it just ain't nobody touching you? Flamingo, shout out to Flamingo. Love Vibe said love Reese's Pieces. I don't know. I never really been a fan of the Reese's Pieces. I always like the actual cups themselves. I don't know what's the difference. You know, I don't know if is it hard candy on the outside of the Reese's Pieces? I think so. That's probably what it is. Humble said, high rollers, let's pick it up. Made 2 purchases. Let's keep it going. Keep those buys coming in, y'all. Keep it moving. We got some momentum right now. We even got the bots buying in right now. So the bots helping us. Love Vibe says, peanut butter and chocolate is the best. That is some fire. Flamingo says, let's go, Petey. Alexander said, if I get rich, I'm going to become a politician. What you gonna do when you become a politician, or why is that one of your goals? That's different. I never heard somebody say that. You know, once they hit, they're gonna become a politician. What's your reasoning behind that? Let's go. We got another buy that just came in, man. Salute to whoever that was. Dropped 140 on the chart. We need some more buys coming through. We need some more buys coming through. Salute to whoever that was. Ryan says, could we get another billion burn? Promise if we get another 30 buys. No, we can't just do that now. We already got 5,000 scheduled. We need bigger buys to come through too. If we can get bigger buys, that will help us, you know, burn more as well. We got 5,000. We got almost 10 billion VIP to be burned on the line that we can do today. All we got to do is get to 7,000 points per coin. We are literally almost there. We just need bigger buys. If these buys that came through already would have been just bigger buys, we probably would have already hit that and probably beyond it. McLovin said, because politicians suck, so I support it. Hey, I wouldn't mind having a politician in office who, you know, got on the scene from, you know, his crypto investments. I mean, we'll definitely have somebody pro crypto in the house. I'm definitely all for it. Let's see. Are we going to get some more buys coming in? Flamingo said, no, Snickers all day. Stop playing. I can't do this. I don't know. The Snickers just, don't get me wrong. If I'm hungry, the Snickers is fire. If I'm starving, like if I ain't, you know, like in a similar situation for today, I skipped breakfast, lunch. I just been grinding today, you know, working on some things behind the scene for Vit. But if it wasn't that case, I would prefer a Reese's. But if I'm actually like hungry and I'm trying to get a quick snack, I prefer a Snicker. Let's see, man. We almost at 6,000 points per coin. We just got another buy that came through. James says, Shaggy on Stellar Network, thank me later. Shout out to James. Angry Gamer says, we trading sideways. Talk, pump it up, VIT for life. Let's go, y'all. We almost, and once we pass this level right here, what is that, like? Looks about like 6,600 points per coin. That might, just getting across that level might help us roll past 7,000 points per coin. Alexander said, to make America great again for car enthusiasts who love gas car instead of EV support cryptocurrency. Okay. Angry Gamer says, we trading sideways, y'all. Let's pump it up. Humble says, make a smoothie, LOL. Don't eat that fake sugar. Eat fruit. Hey, you right about that, bro. You right. Definitely need, but we've been eating a lot of fruit though. Ryan says, hi, there you go. Have a Snickers and Reese's on that slot machine. Let's see, man. I'm trying to motivate the squad, get the people in tune so we can do this. If we got to get the train going within the next like 5 to 10 minutes, y'all. We'll give it 10 more minutes, y'all. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
So we got 10 minutes on the clock. $10 minutes, y'all. Let's see what we can do in this next 10 minutes. Can we get an additional 5,000 Vegas Inu token burn in? We got 170 from the community. McLovin says, no, do not blend fruit. Cut/peel and eat. Way healthier. Okay. Ain't it the same thing if you drinking it though? What if you blend it with the peel? Is that the same thing? Angry Gamer said, if you can get Larry June for your next Vic concert, I will effing be there. Okay. Okay, we might be able to start bringing the Vic community out. No, I know who that is. I know who Larry June is. I'm not, super tapped into his music, but I'm very familiar with who he is, though. He's more popular out here on this West Coast. But a few people I know in the Midwest did rock with him too. That's how I know who he is. Danny B said, DDS East Coast peeps really appreciate this earlier time slot. Okay, that's what's up, man. I got to keep y'all in mind too. Because y'all know I'm all the way over here on the West Coast. I love that West Coast time. It's super laid back. Love Vibe says, Bank of America app AI is named Erica. That's dope. What does their AI do? Angry Gamer said, facts. Hey, y'all, we got 7 minutes and 43 seconds on the clock. Are y'all done burning? Are y'all done burning? Go shake some trees, shake some leaves. Wake the people up. Let them know. McLovin said, no, blending the sugars, heating destroys the nutrients. Okay. Juan says, do you know the way? I'm not sure which way you talking about, bro. McLovin said, it's a lot to explain. You can easily look it up on YouTube. Okay, I believe you, bro. PD said, broski, check out my son's beats and Tillery. They got fire. You get the rappers. Where I seen you drop something in the Telegram earlier. Send me some more. Send me some more. Send me something to the email, bro. You got the email open right now. Send it to me. Or you could just send me the YouTube link too. Okay, Love I said virtual financial assistant. That's dope. What? So what does it do? What does it offer? Angry Gamer says, get on that sea moss. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot about that sea moss for a few years now. It's supposed to have like 100 plus or 90 vitamins or something like that. Minerals or something like that. Y'all don't want me to get on my health conscious tip. I'm going to be dropping content every day. Okay, let's see, man. Y'all about to let the clock run down. We got 5 minutes and 56 seconds. 5 minutes and 56 seconds. If y'all are interested in getting some more burns to take place, man. Shout out to the high roller community. Everybody rocking with me. Appreciate y'all. Love Vibe says, helps keep you on track with ways to manage your financial goals, spending and more. Okay. Five minutes and 20 seconds, y'all. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's see. Okay, y'all about to let the clock go out. We got 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Darian so blessed. We got to show little bro some support. Let him know I just subscribed, bro. We got about 3 minutes left for the stream. The Angry Gamer said my boy makes sea moss and he a heavy weed smoker. Okay. Ron says I got 420 mil. I got 420K raw labs for sale. I don't know what you talking about. I ain't in that lingo. I don't know what that is. I usually know all the, street terminology, all that, but that's something I don't know about. Flamingo says, yeah, do that, DD. And what happened to your cooking live shows? Man, you remember that? See, Flamingo, one of the OGs to the channel. She remember the cooking live shows we were supposed to be doing. I'm gonna have to get back with it. I ain't gonna lie, I did learn how to cook since I last, let everybody know I didn't know how to cook. I do know how to cook now, so I can do something. Let's see. I think that would be dope though. An actual live show. I did like 2 times I cooked. I set up the camera and everything, but I just did not have it in me to edit those videos, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out Pete, said appreciate you, family. So this on YouTube. Okay, y'all, it's looking like the clock about to run out. We got 1 minute and 15 seconds, y'all. I guess we're gonna wrap this one up. Now, a big buy could have came through last minute and took us to a whole nother level, but it ain't looking like it right now. Shout out to Darian on the beat, man. Let's play one more on the way out.
Where you at, Darian?
Okay, y'all, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. We only got about 30 seconds left on the clock. P said, yes, the cooking show, brother. Juan says, LOL, this is the way. Danny B says, appreciate you in the community. Vit for life, man. Salute. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me on this stream. Man, without y'all, we wouldn't be as lit as we are, man. Shout out to the entire Vit community. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, all my high rollers, all my DD Nation, everybody from the ShibArmy, vechain, all the communities we support and rock with. Man, salute to y'all. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. And we are off. Before we get out of here, I'm going to give y'all one last chance. Because we got 4 people that messaged, but only 2 payments came in for the 5 slots that we have available for the crypto course or the technical analysis course or the stock options course, whichever course you want to get. There's 3 courses: stock options, trading course, technical analysis course, or the crypto one-on-one course. I got my $2,500 courses now available for my community for only $200. Now you can't say it's because of the price. You cannot say it's because of the price anymore. Brought it down drastically, just to level people up and help more people before we actually get into this bull run, understand what they're doing, because y'all are missing out on a lot of money on the stock market side of things, learning how to trade. Trust me, I know stocks usually seem slow and boring when you think about it the traditional way, but when you learn how to trade options, it is going to turn you up, especially if you really take it serious, you educate yourself and continue to get better. You're going to love that you learned about this skill. This is one of those skills I recommend every single person having, especially if you're someone who still works a job. You need to learn how to trade options. That way you can be making money on the job while, your money is making money for you. Now, of course, you have to enter these trades. You got to understand what you're looking for. But once you're in these trades, you can make ridiculous amounts of money. Now, you can lose money too. Keep that in mind. But with options trading, you can only lose the premium that you put up for the option trade. So let's say you bought an option for, let's just use for small numbers. Let's just say $100 option. And let's say the worst case scenario you could lose on that is $100. That's the worst case. But you could potentially make, double your money, triple your money. You know, it just depends. You get an option contract for 1,000, you could see yourself, even not just the ones for 1,000, you could you know, smaller. You could see yourself make a few $100s within minutes. You know, it's really like that. We made, what was that? I think the best trade I did on Friday was $840 for like, and it took like 22 minutes. So 800, and a total for that day came out to around $1,740 something dollars. But $840 in 22 minutes, you can't tell me you don't got an extra 22 minutes, you know, an extra half hour, extra hour to spare out of your day to be able to do stuff like that. That's what I teach inside of my stock options trading course. I know a lot of y'all already making money with crypto, but you're leaving money on the table by not even checking out what's going on with the stock side of things. The same way we're entering a bull market and things are looking good, there's certain stocks that are doing really well also. So tap in, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. I got 3 slots left. 3 slots left where you can lock it in for $200 instead of paying $2,500. And I'm not just saying this $2,500 number. This is literally what I charge people. So you get to take advantage of all this information, and it's worth well over $2,500. So to be able to get this for $200 is just a super steal. You're going to come out on the other side of the course once you complete it. You're going to be more knowledgeable. You're going to understand more about investing. You're going to be able to take more opportunities and risk in the market to come out profitable. So connect the dots, man. I'm trying to put y'all on. I'm trying to lower the barrier so that way everybody has access pretty much. You know, $200 is not much at all, you know, especially for the value of what you're getting out of this course. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. I got 3 slots left, $2,500 course for only $200. Shout out to Nanya, said, do you know if casino laws are different on international waters for casino boats? I would assume it would be different on international waters. I'm not sure though, Nanya. I would love for you to look into that and, you know, let me know. Shady says, let's bust a rap. I ain't gonna drop I've been thinking about dropping a mixtape, man. I ain't gonna drop none right now, but I've been thinking about dropping just something for fun, you know, just to do it. Or at least like a small little, you know, I don't know which one it is, EP, LP, the one that's like maybe like 5-6 songs, something like that. Shady said, DD the GOAT. Let me see. Paris says, yeah, let us hear a freestyle, DD. Man, I can't style for free, but I can get something, you know, in the lab and have something fire though. But I'm just messing. But I've been thinking about it, y'all. To being honest, I've been thinking about dropping some, you know, that creative side inside of me. Just, you know, it's been itching a little bit. But it's just, you know, figuring out, you know, how just figuring out what do I actually want to talk about. Cause, you know, I ain't gonna lie, when I was rapping before, I was rapping about some whole other, you know what I'm saying? So it'll be a little different. I'll have to, you know, figure out how to still be myself, but also I want to, you know, try to, in a cool way, incorporate, you know, investing, you know, improving yourself, you know, stuff like that. But at the same time, y'all, you know, y'all got to remember where I come from too, you know. I be a little cleaner on YouTube because of, you know, it could be kids watching and, you know, it's, you know, you just never know who's watching on YouTube. But when it comes to the artistic side, or if y'all just chilling with me, y'all will hear me, you know, probably at a different level. PD says, TG Des, sir, thanks. I got you, bro. Roland says, I had to step for a minute. Is there still time before next burn? Got a few others to jump in. No, we could, right now, we already completed the green wall burn, but if we get to 7,000 points per coin, we could burn around $5,000 worth of it, which is approximately 10 billion Vegas Inu token right now. So, you know, we can do it. We just need big enough buys to come through that will push us to that 7,000 points per coin level, and that's an automatic 5,000 Vegas Inu tokens burn. Shout out to Flamingo. Good night. Says good night all. Appreciate you pulling up on us, Flamingo. Flamingo, where you tuning in from again? I forgot. Ryan says, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you for tuning in. James says, Shaggy on Stellar Network. Thank me later. It's moving. Hey, y'all check it out, bro. Trying to put us on. P says, Shady, come into TG. Make sure y'all all pull up to the Telegram as well. Angry Gamer says, make your own theme song for your intro. Okay. Humble said, drop the EP, bro. Humble said, play that video you rapping in the car for us. Hold on, let me see. Bro want me to play that shib. Juan Del Real said, all depends on what flag you are flying dictate the laws you have to follow in the international waters. Okay. Shady said, bro, let us jump on with you. I used to be from the hood. I'm all about that change, bro. Okay, that's what's up, man. Blessings. Everyone says love vibe. Let's see, man. Let me throw on the let me see if I can find the shib rap real quick. Let's see. Let me share the screen with y'all. Look, I just bought the dip on shib. The money growing like some trees. Holding longer than a sleeve. Right else, bless me like a sneeze. With my students coaching the chopping game of with Satoshi. When I say I'm diamond hand, there's no cap. My diamonds dancing. Put him on the sheet for 6 months. He ain't wanna get it. Then we hit them all-time highs. I know he hate he missed it. Trying to eat a zero for a while. And we almost did it, but we fighting for it in the supply. They keep me nipping. I just wanna show the game. I just wanna put them on. Teach them something you can't learn in school. Something out the norm. I just wanna, yeah, man, I could drop something, man. Look, I just bought the dip on shib. The money growing like some trees. I'm holding longer than a sleeve. Ryoshi bless me like a sneeze. I'm probably with my students coaching a dropping game of with Satoshi. When I say I'm diamond hand, there's no cap. My diamonds dancing. Put him on the shib for 6 months. He ain't wanna get it. Then we hit them all-time highs. I know he hate he missed it. Trying to eat a zero for a while and we almost did it. But we fighting for it in the supply. They keep me nipping. I just wanna show the game. I just wanna put them on. Teach them something you can't learn in school. Something out the norm. Y'all want me to drop something else, man? Y'all want me to drop something else? Look, I just bought the dip on shib. The money growing like some trees. I'm holding longer than a sleeve. Ryoshi bless me like a sneeze. I'm probably with my students coaching a dropping game of with Satoshi. When I say I'm diamond hand, there's no cap. My diamonds dancing. Put him on the shib for 6 months. He ain't wanna get it. Then we hit them all-time highs. I know he hate he missed it. Trying to eat a zero for a while and we almost did it. But we fighting for it in the supply. They keep me nipping. I just wanna show the game. I just wanna put them on. Teach them something you can't learn in school. Something out the norm. Look at my comments on this one though. Let's make it a full song. This is dope. It's man of many talents. You on fire, bro. This like needs to be an anthem for shib. Nice work, Marco. Impressive. Back here listening. Shout out to Humble. He said back here listening to this. Bless you for putting people on Shiba to the moon. It's a lot of blessed people holding Shiba, so it's no choice but be prosperous. You spitting all facts, sir. Somebody else said diamond hand all the way, team shib. Somebody else said back with another banger. Somebody else said, okay, I see you, my guy. Somebody said chopping game with Satoshi. Salute, man. The comments was dope on here. Shout out to everybody. But yeah, man, we gonna wrap this one up. Okay, Flamingo in Florida. Okay. So you all the way on that East Coast. Shout out to Flamingo. Appreciate you. Flamingo just snapped. She said, Flamingo just snapped. She said, yeah, Didi is an all-around man, even those skills in lawn care. Hey, she ain't lying, man. That was one of my first, decent businesses that I started. That got me on the road, man. I made my first $50,000 in 6 months doing landscaping. That changed the game for me. That was my first time crossing over that type of money. Shout out to Petey, said that was fire, bro. Crypto Shady says, yeah, buddy. Love Vibe said, blessing everyone. Petey said, it's on Instagram. BCR says, if you need someone to master your EP, I'm down. BCR, you do music? Yeah, let's get it. Go deep. Appreciate it, Shady. Petey said, fire. Shout out to Crypto Be Well in the building, man. Said, yo. Shady said, yeah, bro, drop it. PD said, yes, sir. VIT promotion. Juan said, drop it. New music said, love it. Shady said, what's the beat? I want to jump on my own and mix it. That's Money Man LLC beat. It's called, type in Money Man, and then the name of the song is LLC, like a business. Shout out to Juan. PD Pure said, you have a producer? No, I don't got a producer officially locked in. One of my guys do beats, but I ain't tell him I needed to secure the beats. But anytime I hit him up, pretty much I can get a beat. Angry Gamer says, when I tell you I love you, bro, I love you, made my days so much better on the road. Man, salute, man. Shout out to Angry Gamer, man. I'm glad I can make your days better, bro. Man, I love all my community. I appreciate all y'all support, for real. Y'all really motivate me to go harder. It be times when, times be, timing. But knowing I got my community behind my back, really supporting and, willing to go to the front lines for me, that always keeps me motivated, man. So salute to y'all. Shout out to Angry Gamer. BCR is a Swiss Army knife. Facts. Flamingo said, hey. PD said, no, BS BCR is the man. Mike Jones says 777. Bullish, man. Salute. Okay, y'all, we're going to wrap this one up, man. We did a 3-hour. Matter of fact, we got one more. We got one more burn. One more burn to do. We're going to let this one play out before while we do this burn.
I just wanna, look, I just bought the dip on shib. The money growing like some trees. I'm holding longer than a sleeve. Ryoshi bless me like a sneeze. I'm probably with my students coaching a dropping game up with Satoshi. When I say I'm diamond hand, there's no cap. My diamonds dancing. Put him on the shib for 6 months. He ain't wanna get it. Then we hit them all-time highs. I know he hate, he missed it. Trying to eat a zero for a while and we almost did it. But we fighting FUD in the supply. They keep manipulating. I just wanna show the game. I just wanna put them on. Teach them something you can't learn in school. Something out the norm. I just wanna, look, I just bought the dip on shib. The money growing like some trees. I'm holding longer than a sleeve. Ryoshi bless me like a sneeze. I'm probably with my students coaching a dropping game up with Satoshi. When I say I'm diamond hand, there's no cap. My diamonds dancing. Put him on the shib for 6 months. He ain't wanna get it. Then we hit them all-time highs. I know he hate, he missed it. Trying to eat a zero for a while and we almost did it. But we fighting FUD in the supply. They keep manipulating. I just wanna show the game. I just wanna put them on. Teach them something you can't learn in school. Something out the norm. I just wanna, look, I just bought the dip on shib. The money growing like some trees. I'm holding longer than a sleeve. Ryoshi bless me like a sneeze. I'm probably with my students coaching a dropping game up with Satoshi. When I say I'm diamond hand, there's no cap. My diamonds dancing. Put him on the shib for 6 months. He ain't wanna get it. Then we hit them all-time highs. I know he hate, he missed it. Trying to eat a zero for a while and we almost did it. But we fighting FUD in the supply. They keep manipulating. I just wanna show the game. I just wanna put them on. Teach them something you can't learn in school. Something out the norm. I just wanna,
okay, y'all.
Look, I just bought the dip on shib. The money growing like some trees. I'm holding longer than a sleeve. Ryoshi bless me like a sneeze. I'm probably with my students coaching a dropping game up with Satoshi. When I say I'm diamond hand, there's no cap. My diamonds dancing. Put him on the shib for 6 months. He ain't wanna get it. Then we hit them all-time highs. I know he hate, he missed it. Trying to eat a zero for a while and we almost did it. But we fighting FUD in the supply. They keep.
All right, y'all. We finna wrap this one up, man. Salute. PD says you have 2 producers that can help with that in the community. My son and Tillery. Okay, man. Definitely. I'm up for it, man. I'm definitely thinking about it. Send me some fire though, PD. Send me some fire. I like a certain type of beats. You know what, PD? I'm gonna have to send you. You know what, PD? Check your desk, PD. Check your desk, man. I'm gonna have to send you some of my old raps so you can kind of get an idea of my style, man. Now, I will show y'all one of my old music videos, but I don't think y'all ready for that. I know PD is, but I don't know if the community overall ready for that. See, I know PD ain't gonna judge me. PD, check your desk, man. Check your desk, PD. I just sent you one of my old bangers, man. I think you probably one of the first people from the community to see one of the music videos. But that's just you, bro. I ain't sent it to nobody else. So if anybody else get it, I know you sent it to them. I think I'm on the second verse on there. Shout out to Crypto B Well says, I have someone in Vegas making moves right now. Okay, let's go. Let them know what we doing, man. BCR says we can do the music. 20 years in it. BCR, send me some info on what's the word. Humble said we love you, bro, and all the OG members and the newest, man. Salute. I love y'all too, bro, for real. BCR said 100. Angry Gamer says, Vic community, you guys are all special in your own way. Keep that with you for life. I'm so honored to be a part of y'all movement, man. Appreciate that, Angry Gamer. That's a dope comment right there, man. You're a part of the High Roller Vegas Inu token community that you should be proud of seeing a comment like that, man. I got to read that one again. He said, Vic community, you guys are all special in your own way. Keep that with you for life. I'm so honored to be a part of y'all movement, man. Salute. I'm honored to be a part of the movement as well. Yes, I created the project, but for the community so we can have something to all work on. You know, so I'm honored to be a part of it with my community as well, man. Crypto B Well says she is doing a show at Jimmy Kimmel's right now. Okay, that's what's up, man. Let's see how we can create a win-win situation for Vegas Inu token and her. The Angry Gamer says this should be your theme song. Only reason why I couldn't because it's a copyrighted beat. The like button says no judgment, brother. Appreciate that. Roland says send it. PD says LOL, I got you. Fire, broski. Did you hear that? Did you hear my verse yet though, PD? PD, did you hear my verse yet though? Let me know if you heard the verse, because I actually went bonkers on that verse for real. Let me know if you heard it yet, bro. Danny B said this is more than community. It is family. Facts, man. Salute to Danny B. Angry Gamer says, I have a beat from a Las Vegas producer I bought. I would love you to put something on it. I'll send it if you want. You can send it to me if I'm feeling it, you know. See, this is how I like to operate. I got to hear the beat, and the beat got to draw something out of me. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to just rap over anything. It got to be a beat that I'm actually feeling when I hear it. It's like, okay, I want to see what I do on this. You know, I feel like rapping over this. That's kind of how I am, because I'm not a person that's like, you know, most people that's rapping are looking for, you know, a deal or something of that sort, or, you know, really looking like to, you know, to I don't want to just say take it serious, but, you know, that's everything for them. You know, I just enjoy it. You know, it's fun to me. Angry Gamer says, I got you. Okay, DecemberDeMarco at gmail.com. Put in a subject like instrumental or beat or something so I can know. Okay, y'all, we gonna wrap this one up. Shout out to everybody for tuning in, man. Y'all some real ones, rocking with me for over 3 hours and almost 30 minutes on the stream. Sheesh. Y'all could have been anywhere, but y'all pulled up on me, man. Let's see. So we'll be back tomorrow. We working, doing a lot of things behind the scenes. Like I said, some of those things that we are working on, we mentioned in this stream. If you're just now tuning in, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you share the stream. Shout out to the replay gang, but also go back and catch all the gems in the beginning and middle of this stream. Salute to everybody for pulling up, and we are out.